But he's lying. He's lying. I didn't do anything. He was the one that was trying to touch me.
Yeah, oh, he's lying, eh? Oh, now you're calling me a liar. You're calling my boyfriend a liar. Wait. After you tried to seduce him. Hey, Ma. Because he did not succumb to your advances. Wait for what?
Wait, I know you're angry, eh? I know you're angry, but listen to us. Let me tell you. Since the day we stepped into this house, this man here has been trying to touch my sister. Oh, the problems I've been having, I'm not a troublemaker, but I've been having trouble with him because he has been trying to seduce my sister. That's why I've been having problems. You tell her the truth now.
Look at this one, see what things that I've been begging on their behalf. You have the guts to slap me just because I didn't sleep with you. Just because I refused you. Rubbish. Chase them out!
Get out!
Please, I didn't slap him.
Shut up your mouth! Oh, you did not slap him.
I swear.
He has been the one. He has been the one pleading for both of you not to leave my house. Now you're trying to say that he's lying against you, Abi? That is what you're trying to say. Hey! Nonsense! Mom! What is it?
Never lose your voice. Evidence to choke for here. Make I shock you now. Your boyfriend na SSS actor. Let's video.
Let's see, if we reach there, we'll buy... sister. See, house help needed.
Mesoma, let's just go back to the village and rest. I'm tired. We've been looking...
Okay.
Mesoma!
Who is here? Who is here?
Meso!
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Evening. What is it?
We came to apply for this job. So house help needed, so we came to apply.
Yes,
Okay, so bring your application. Where is your application letter?
Which one is application? Sorry, is this in airport?
Ah.
We'll use our mouth and apply. We'll say speech. If it's speech you want us to say, we'll say it.
Madam, you think this is one of the chiefs in your village, their house that you want to apply, you want to work in? Oga, the owner of this house is a very influential woman. So before you take any job here, you come cooperate like this with your application letter, everything.
So why didn't you people come cooperate with the signpost? Why didn't you post it online or put billboard on the road? Why do you keep it at your gate? Okay, if I reach your gate, I'll bring out pen and paper and start writing an application. Or you think I have computer to print it?
What is wrong with this girl?
It's you now. You are you selfish people. You will use paper and no money, not spend money to put this thing, but you want us to spend money, go and write application letter and print it and wear copy.
Hey! Madam, put down your mouth for chain now. I don't want to lose them. To God who made me, I don't want to lose them. You don't hear me?
If you lose it, what to do? We'll tie it for you back.
You will tie it back.
Okay, no vex.
Sorry.
I want to ask you something. Why is this girl speaking for you? Is she your mouthpiece? Why is she speaking for you?
No, sir, she's...
Why are you even giving her too much time to talk?
No, sir, she's my younger sister. My name is Chioma, and I'm the one that wants to apply for the house help. I'll be very grateful if I can get this job. Please.
Better person don't talk. I've been thinking that this animal I won't follow talk before.
Look at you.
Now me,
with your color blocking. Purple one, is this thing orange or what?
Yes, so.
Sorry.
Shut up. Okay, no vex, I
Sorry,
beg.
sorry.
Sorry, sir.
So where is the person that will give us the job?
No, use your mouth, call him now. No, attract the person with your mouth since you sabi talk too much.
Open gate for... See, your work here is to open gate and close. I don't know if you are giving yourself rank because they gave you uniform to wear.
Abi.
Let's go. They don't have house help job.
Shebi.
Wait. Okay, please, no vex, I beg.
Have you done this kind of job before?
Yes, so. 3 different types. There's one we did for one big man, the commissioner of terrorism.
Commissioner for terrorism.
No, I mean,
The commissioner for traffic regulation.
No, sir.
On your traffic warden.
No, sir. Yes, I've worked as a house help before. Please, don't ignore my sister. She's very outspoken.
Can you cook?
yes, now.
Yes, I
Can cook.
very
If you
well.
taste my sister's food, you forget that your mom knows how to cook.
Yes, I cook very well.
I say your head will swell.
What's in the worry you, this girl?
Sir, I cook very
No,
well.
I want to know, do you have comfort inside your brain?
It's you. I think you have confidence in your brain. So, the way I'm seeing
Are
you.
you a graduate?
Are you a graduate? Show me a certificate.
I am asking your sister.
Are
if
you a
she's-
graduate?
Now you are the take for work. See, sister, it's like you cannot get this work because this your sister
sorry
is a
now.
Sir, please, sir.
No,
please.
make una go. Go find
sir,
other
I
compound.
will tell
See,
her.
I've already said you're a fine man, no. Look at you. See how you tall, fine, spec. Don't worry, God will bless you. God will give you money. Before the end of this year, you will leave this gateman position.
Amen.
Amen.
I like your prayer. God will see, you see your mind go zip am. God go take time. If not call tell her, God go call tell her to sew your mouth small. Because this mouth, go put you for trouble. You dey
Anything
hear
I
me?
talk now will work. Shut up.
The one I talk must work too. If I feel not do your day two for this house now, nothing you go to take.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry,
Don't
eh?
vex.
Fine man. Look at his nose. Let's go.
This cheap hair where you do, this cheap attachment hair. Hey! Come, Jimmy. I never see. I still won't find though. Chai. What happened?
Nothing, sir.
People should be here. Hold on, let me go and tell my madam say on come.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Relax.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wow. Sister, this house is very big.
It's fine.
Big and fine.
It's beautiful.
Even finer than that your former wicked madam's house. That her
Mesoma.
1-bedroom apartment that she's calling mansion.
Mesoma, this is your mouth. You know you're the one that made them throw us out.
But is it not true?
You know you're the reason they sacked us in the former place.
I never find. I still want to see.
So you know the song?
I used to hear the song now.
Are you serious?
Yes.
My madam is here.
And your uniform is very fine.
You will love it. You will love
Good
it.
evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Caleb.
Ma.
What is this?
Caleb, do you want to lose your job?
Madam, which one do I want to lose my job?
Caleb, did you just answer my question with another question?
Hey. Madam, I no question you. I just dey ask you, say, I drop resignation letter. Which one is do I want to lose my job?
Why did you let this dirty, stinking, smelly things into my residence? What's the meaning of this? Huh?
Hey. No worry. No worry. Madam, they are not smelling. They know they smell. As you see them now, so they see their leg, the dust for their leg. Now trekking where they don't trek over 2 hours, the whole estate, they find work. Before they finally see the one we will put for our gate.
Yes,
Waiting will write there.
Caleb, you must be very stupid to alter my words.
I use a rub body, ma. I use a rub body.
And you, what are you doing here?
Madam, waiting you still they ask them. Maybe I don't explain to you waiting carry them come here.
One more word, I will fire you.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma.
Good evening.
Did you come here to do salutation or what?
No, never.
No, ma.
We were passing and we saw that paper, that thing you put on your gate, that you need house help. Immediately we say, thank God we entered.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
And ma, I promise that if you give us this job, you won't regret it.
No.
We will do.
I'm already regretting it. I am regretting it, letting you girls into my house because the whole place is smelling, it's stuffy. What is it?
Ma, please. It's not like that. It's just that we've been trekking a long distance. We've been trekking. But we are
Also,
usually not this unkept.
No.
We're not.
We package now.
At least she speaks good English. So have you done this kind of job before?
Yeah, so myself, this English that she's blowing here, there is a time that we work for commissioner house. That's commissioner for, is that in...
Excuse me.
The signpost outside said house help and not house helps. So why are both of you here?
We're sisters, ma.
Yes, ma. She's my younger sister, Mesoma.
5 and 6.
We are always together, ma.
Look, I can only employ one person in this house, not 2 persons. Do you understand me? So anyone I employ in this house lives here with me. So I don't need both of you. I just need one person.
Ma, please. Please, Ma. We are begging. She's my only family. She doesn't have anywhere else to go. But I promise you that she's not going to be a disturbance at all. She won't.
If you give us this job, you will not even notice me in this house. I will not open my mouth. But the fly that used to fly around will be more visible than you'll even be asking my sister. And I thought you came here with one girl the other day.
You're talking too much. Like I said, I don't have space for more than one person. I need air in my house. And an additional nose tree will cost a lesser air for me. So I don't need more than one person in my house.
May I?
Caleb, what do you have to say? Because this place, I'm becoming very uncomfortable. Can you just talk fast? Caleb, what is this?
Madam, what are you finding difficult to understand for this situation? This girl no tell you say make you employ 2 of them. She said she is the one you are employing. Her sister is just like give away. Just like give away. You know you don't be businesswoman. This thing is just like buy one, take one free. The way what they do for NYSC, where people go work tired, they don't go pay them free work.
Who told you that they not used to pay NYSC people? It's obvious you did not even finish secondary school, not to talk of entering NYSC. Do you know they used to give those people plenty money? 77 baht. That's every month until you finish. It's possible your salary is safe. I know your salary not reach 77,000.
Hello. What's the meaning of that?
Sorry.
No, what thing bring that kind of talk?
No, sorry.
What thing carry your mouth they go where my salary
She don't mean
dey?
that, Ma.
Madam, respect yourself. Respect, put your mouth for 10 now. You dey hear me? Let's just want to worry you. No, what's the meaning of that?
Oh, wait. It's okay. It's okay, I'll let them stay. Like I said, it's just one person that will pay salary and you are entitled to 1 plate of food twice a day. That's it.
Hey, that's very okay with me, Ma. Thank you, Ma.
What is it now, Caleb?
Madam, you know say they say, now where then they dance, then they open nyash. Yeah, tele. If you see now this girl, because of what they talk here, now this girl don't go talk something very important. How much you say NYSC the collect?
77 baht.
And the day here 31 days. You go fee carry my salary near that 77 baht that Alawi side abi. Carry and help me again. Fee rise and reach that 77.
Caleb, stop stressing me. If you want to join the NYSC, you can go and join them. Do you understand me? Stop stressing me, I don't like it. Take their things inside the room. Take them to their room.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you very much, Ma. God bless you, Ma.
Thank you. Who's madam, man? She's too harsh.
Madam, listen to me. Your mouth is more pokrepo than my madam. You see, your mouth is harsher than madam.
You know you should talk anything that is not the truth.
Hey.
You don't even expect your salary to be up to 50,000. They're supposed to be paying you 25,250. Which one is 50?
Who be this girl?
Just to open gate. Push
Hey, hello! Who be this girl?
Sorry, it's player.
Your brain come for fall inside your brain.
Okay. I don't like that thing you are doing now. That thing that you're telling me that my brain.
Hey, okay, beg no face.
So you want beat me?
No, I not beat you.
My dear, no.
Okay,
No, this girl go put you for trouble. Jesus Christ.
I'm not even.
No, this girl, no, you God who made me, this girl go put you for trouble. Oh yeah, move.
Okay, beg no face. Let's go. Carry your bag.
Who be this girl? Who even plates this your head?
Can you be?
Can you imagine? Which guy? You sure say na your sister be this? Una not even resemble you first, she dark. Na bad math, na change your color like this.
Let's go.
Okay, no vex.
Get man. Go be
You come to get man.
Okay, beg. That place you
this one now.
That place you play. I beg. I beg.
Sorry.
Jesus Christ, who be this?
Thank you, Oga. No vex.
This one na animal wey dem find for human being content. Who be this girl?
You know you're supposed to give me half of your first salary.
Why?
You know, because I'm the main reason you got this job. Yes. I even lowered my pride. Me that no used to say lies, and I told that man that he's fine and tall. That ugly and short man. I just lied for the first time in my life. Hi.
You.
And you were even telling me, hey, let's go to the village. Let's go to the village. I'm the one that pushed you and said, come. The Lord is speaking to me. If we enter this place, we'll get job.
And look at you. Somebody that is hearing you talking now will say, oh, this girl is so calm. She's so quiet. They will not know that your mouth runs like water. Like tap water. Eh? Look at you. You nearly got us into trouble.
Me?
Yes.
What did I say
And
wrong?
who told you I think not going back to the village was the best option?
It's not the best option. There's nothing there for us.
And there's something here.
Yes. Salary. That place, before we get the salary here of 1 month, we have to work for 6 months. Eh?
But the salary is not much now.
It's not much, yes. But see, if we save it, if we save as much as we can and look for a cheap school around here and put me, it would be a very good idea. You know that if you put me in school now, struggle, hustle, and I'll finish this school, pass. I will look for a job. The type of job that they'll be paying me million, 1 million, 1.5 million, 10 million, 20 million. Yes. And I'll come and take care of you.
That's my baby sister. I know you'll take good care of me. That's why I'm doing my possible best so that you don't get into trouble.
No,
Don't
I'm not
worry.
getting into trouble.
I'll make sure you go to school. Okay. I'll do my best.
Thank you. There's something else I was thinking about though. See, now that they are paying you this money and it's small, you don't know how long we'll stay in this job. This woman that fire is hungering her. How about we just forget SS2 and SS3? Put me straight inside WAEC. Leave.
Is it possible?
It's possible
You have
now.
to go through. You have to pass through SS2,
those
enter
things-
SS3.
All those things are initial gra, so that they'll say, oh, I went to school. Teacher will just enter class and go out and go and collect salary in the VP's office. That thing is not used to teach anything. Everything they are teaching there, I already know it. And I can comfortably pass that work. That thing is chicken change. Once I just read ahead, I pass.
Okay. I know you're a very intelligent girl.
You know me
That
now.
I know. So, I will think about it and we'll see what we can do.
Thank you.
Oh.
See, Ma, what's happening here?
Ma, we are just getting used to the atmosphere. This your house is very fine. Your engineer did a very good job. So we are getting used to the environment. We have parked now. We have unpacked our things.
Get to the kitchen and prepare dinner for me.
Yes, ma, right away.
And make sure you set the table for 2.
Hey, are we expecting somebody? This is why I say table for 2.
Mesoma.
Can you just stop talking? Unless you're asked to talk.
Sorry, ma. So, ma, please, what do you want to eat?
There's a diet timetable in the kitchen. Follow it religiously. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma.
And make sure you set the table for 2. Table for what? 2.
Yes, ma. Right away.
Whatever happened to freedom of speech?
Hey, Mesoma. How many times did I call you? 3. This your mouth, If you cannot control it, you better cut it off. Do you want to put us in trouble?
But sorry, what did I say now that is wrong? House help, ask madam.
Mind yourself, this job that we just got, Don't make us lose the job, we've not even started.
No, you people should just buy gum.
You better watch it.
What did I say now that is bad? Ma, have we expect? I even said it with my softest voice ever. Me that know you to talk with soft voice. Ma, have we You people have problem. It's not me that is your problem. Naturally, all of you have problem. You are just looking for who to blame. Oh, yeah, my problem. Yeah, talkative.
You don't begin cook.
Now I won't finish this one, then I will start the No problem.
No problem, my dear. See, you go do fast. You go do everything with it. You leave these things where the wash and I go begin cook because hunger won't finish me.
Yeah.
You hear?
Okay, no problem.
Another thing, see, you see this food where you don't begin cook now. If you want serve me like you serve me better food, double portion. Then put big meat in that head. That head, so we get an echo where for free to use them. Cut and big, give me like 3.
3?
Think 3.
Is that how they serve you?
Listen, nobody saying I said they serve me. But you are here now. Nobody get you this job. Am I not the one that got you this job? Did you use agent?
No.
You pay anybody to get the job?
No, you get
it. I did everything possible. So what is there in serving me with 3 meat?
No,
I need compensation. That one is my compensation.
I go do you.
They hear? So I am fast. Man is going down. Again. You have a boyfriend?
No.
You married?
No.
You are not married. You don't have a boyfriend.
I'm not married, sir.
That one not lie. Not lie with that.
How?
Well, since you said you don't have a boyfriend, why are you even saying sa? See, my name is not Sa. My name is Caleb. And you can call me Baba K for short. You can call me Baba K.
Why do I have to call you Baba K?
Why won't you? If they look me because I wear this uniform, if you remove this uniform, you know what in this uniform cover. If you know what in the cover, you dey over. I tell you.
Please, I don't want to hear this kind
I
of talk.
tell you something, see. Forget to they say successful men, all of them, they have humble beginning. This is one of my humble beginning. Don't go look at me like this. Forget this job I'm doing. After all, Jesus Christ, our Savior. Shebi, they born and for where then they train goats, where then they train lamb. And in father, in papa, no ordinary carpenter. So what did Jesus Christ become at the end? A big prophet. Forget say at the finally, still waka, still suffer, go through, go.
See, Oga Caleb, there is nothing wrong in your job. It's very decent. At least you're not stealing, you're not killing. This is a very decent job.
Abi?
Yes.
Chai, see the way the tea is sweet for your mouth. Hi, my girl. So it's very decent.
It's a very decent job.
And see, me and you, we are going to have a very decent relationship.
Yeah?
Decent relationship.
What's that?
Very decent relationship. You go like him. So do cook, Cook, don't worry. Do fast. Do fast,
Okay.
Yes, fire the gun. Fire. Shoot.
Baby!
People are not strong.
Babe!
Hey! Excuse me, sir. What are you doing here, sir?
And who are you?
I don't know what God was thinking when he was creating some people. But I will never question you. Which one is you enter somebody's house and you start asking the person, who are you?
See,
You
listen,
didn't even start with introduction or, I'm here to see the owner of this house.
If you don't start saying who you are, I'm going to do something that you won't like. Who the hell are you?
Don't shout at me, oh. Don't try that nonsense and shout at me. Me that is here protect. I don't even know what that gate man is doing at that gate. He's opening gate for every mad person that decides to enter.
You mad?
It's you that is mad. You really look like a mad person. Look at your face. You put beer everywhere. Responsible men don't have beer like that. No! And your head! Look at this, your head. Look at the way you're dressing like, all these small Yahoo boys. You're a Yahoo boy!
You must be very stupid.
You are the one that is stupid.
Seems like you don't have sense.
You don't have sense.
shame.
This is your brain, or this is your head.
I don't know who you are.
This is your head. The only thing they can use is to do is
Are you okay?
What's happening? Madam, this man, I don't know who he is. He just burst into the house.
Baby, calm down.
Jeez. I'm sorry. Madam, sorry, I didn't know it's your son. No.
What?
Son now. Chai. Boom boy. Okay, you should have just told me I'm the son of the house. And I would have just accepted.
You shut up your mouth. Every time your mouth is running like that.
Trying to protect the house. Sorry, sir.
Okay, welcome. Get inside. What's wrong with this girl now? What's your problem? What nonsense?
Babe, I'm sorry.
Hey, what is this now? If you heard every single thing she was telling me, what is rubbish? Coming to your house to receive insult from a child. And what is a child doing in this house?
Oh, it was her elder sister I employed though. Her elder sister, I don't know, this stupid girl, parasite, Ginch.
Babe, I don't like this girl.
I
swear I don't like her.
I don't even like her. If you know the way I hate her with my blood. I just wish that one day I'll just fling out of this house.
That would be better.
It's okay. It's okay.
Like
I
this.
don't like it when you get upset.
I'm tired. I don't like this.
Let's go inside. I'm so sorry. I don't want to get
Stressed. I'm mentally stressed. Everything.
You never still finish.
The food is almost ready. I just wanted to dry it too.
The food is almost ready. You're supposed to finish this food now. See how the food, they smell everywhere. You still there, they look clean.
Don't
Do this thing fast now.
Just few minutes.
I'm not tired to the way too.
Okay.
Hi.
That's
Oh,
all.
Caleb. I did not know that Madam has a son.
Yeah?
I'm surprised too. She has a son, no? The way she used to ping like one.
Which son?
That boy now.
Which boy?
There's a boy that just burst into the house. I was not shouting at him as in, why are you entering the house? Why? I didn't know that he's a family member. So Madam came and was calling him baby, as in baby boy now. You understand? My baby.
Did you say you insulted him?
Yeah. But I told this man, mouth, ear, I cannot see it from there.
Jesus. Wait, so you went to insult him?
I did not go to insult him.
Who is Henry?
Hey! Madam's boyfriend.
Jesus.
No, Oga Caleb, stop. If I say an old woman's husband, I will know. That thing is the son. He's a small boy. He just
Wait, let me ask you. The person you insulted, does he have bad hair, like scraped hair?
Yes, no hair on his head. I even told him that they will use his hair and sharpen knife.
Jesus!
And you know all this ajebo that because their parents have money, they will not be spending their money on gym and be doing gym.
Okay,
It
the
will
boy
look
has
like
gym body.
Yes.
With Biabia like this.
One small boy.
Hey!
He used just 3 years to senior me. So if he senior me, it's like 4 years.
Mr. Ma, it's
He's
okay.
known you like 4 years.
Around 4 years.
And you don't even wait to stay at least complete 4 days for this house.
How?
My dear, you people are sacked.
Eh?
To God who made me.
Why?
Sacked?
To God who made me.
Sacked.
You are sacked. Let me tell you, see last month. Inside last month, Madam sacked me 4 times.
Hey.
It was that same boy that begged on my behalf. To God. As I'm talking to you now, pack every of your belongings. And if Madam walks in here, immediately she's walking in, you are walking out. Let me move out before Madam include me in your problem, eh?
Oga Caleb, are you sure? Are you sure the boyfriend doesn't have white hair? This one doesn't have white hair.
Let's say the man. Let's say you don't get respect.
Wait.
Short and off.
You know that you're older than this boy. That boy is a small boy. No.
Do you have to know before you keep this mouth shut? Hey! I have always told you, mind the way you speak to people, but you never listen. What is wrong with you? Miss Oma,
Protect the house.
protect the house indeed by insulting Madam's boyfriend.
No.
You now. Shebi, you wanted to come to town. You have come, and you've just spent only few hours. So go in and pack your things. You heard what Caleb said, that Madam will sack us. So go and pack your things. So let's wait for Madam to come and sack us. No, this is what you wanted now. No, this is what you wanted. Now you have it. Go and pack your things, oh. Go and pack your things. We are leaving this house. Why can't you just keep this mouth shut?
But it's not logical for an old woman to be having small boy as boy. Somebody.
So you're still talking. You're still talking. You're still talking.
Oh yes, babe. I met with him and we discussed about the business plan I had, and he looked into my eye, straight into my eye, and asked me if I was in a relationship with you.
Is that what he asked you?
Yes, babe. That was what he asked me.
So what was your response?
Trust me now. I told him that you're my cousin.
That's my boy.
I got you, you know.
Yes, who's that?
That stupid girl. That idiot.
It's okay, calm down. What do you want?
Are you hearing what she's saying? Are you hearing what this idiot is saying?
Sorry, eh?
Who told you that?
What, ma? What he just said? Who told you he's my
Boyfriend? Is he not a boyfriend? I mean, it's Uncle Caleb that told me that, you know. But why is this secret relationship people are doing? Oh, you are scared that people will judge you. Ma, here, we listen, we don't judge. Me, I will not judge you. Whether old man to young woman, we listen, we don't judge. Whether old woman to young man, we listen, so we don't judge. It's all about love. It's all about the love we have in our hearts. That's what I preach. So anything people are doing, if people cannot do it in public, why are you doing it in secret? Eh? You are deceiving people. Somebody will go and check him now. Nobody's checking you, but somebody will go and check him now. You love him like that, and you are doing him. You are giving everybody key to the padlock. Lock him immediately. What happened to him? Kill him. Madam!
You have your mouth. Get out of here! Get out!
Are you not her boyfriend?
You stupid! Get out!
Where's that idiot? Come here, mom. Just come here, come here. Idiot. You're very stupid. You're mad. No, I should give you my microphone so you announce to the whole community that Harry is my boyfriend. Abi?
I don't understand, madam. What are you trying to say?
What did you tell her? What did you tell this thing? This running mouth?
This thing, I beg, what thing I tell you? What thing I tell you? This thing, what thing I tell you?
I went to apologize to her for what I did before. And I told her that you told me that Oga Henry is her boyfriend. Hey! But that's what you told me now.
Jesus!
Hey! Mess up, ma.
It's not what she told me.
You went to told her, and you now told her.
Yes, Nai.
Waiting bring me for the discussion. Waiting carry you my name come. You want sack me for this my job?
You don't say it.
Waiting they worry you.
Caleb, you are sacked.
No, madam, I'm not sacked.
You are sacked, oh.
They never sacked.
Before I blink my eyes, everybody leave this house.
Jesus.
Pack your things and move.
Jesus.
Everybody leave my house.
Please, madam, please, we are better.
Please, can you imagine? I said leave my house.
Please.
Caleb,
Are you ashamed of your
everybody
own
should leave.
boyfriend?
Please, can you imagine?
Shut up.
Calm down, relax. Baby, listen. I love the way you handle things that concerns me. It shows me that you love and respect me.
Of course I love and respect you. Eh? I
know,
wouldn't
I
be
know.
here. I wouldn't be here to allow these urchins disrespect you.
Listen,
For what
I
now?
know, listen. Look at me. Calm down.
Ah, she's even looking at me like if I
Look at me. Just look at me. Let me tell you something. It's just me. And you know I love you so much. Just forgive them. And besides, I'm sure that with what have happened, they won't want to repeat the same mistake.
Thank you, sir.
I did what? Eh?
God bless you. I said God bless you, sir.
Did I say anything yet? Eh?
No, me, I not say anything too. I just say God bless you, sir.
Because of you. See, it's just because of my boyfriend, though. If not, you know what I can do. Just keep your God bless you to yourself. Rubbish. Eh? See, this will be the first and last time you guys will do such a thing in my house. I don't want to hear any noise. Else, you see what I'll do to you. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
First and last time.
Yes, ma'am.
Now everybody get out. Get to your duty post. Move!
Stealing is that. Stealing is that. Stealing is that.
Sorry, you see? Babe, you can see?
Oh, madam, can you see?
Get out now.
One love. Believe.
This man is something else. I just stress.
Don't worry.
Mesoma, what is wrong with you, this girl? Eh? Do you want to kill me?
I only wanted to apologize now.
Apologize for what? Eh? Apologize for what? Who asked you to go and apologize?
Uncle Caleb said it here now that if she comes out, she's going to sack us. And I didn't want you to lose your job, so I had to go and make amends.
Soma, why can't you mind your business? Why can't you mind your business for God's sake?
Okay, I'm sorry.
You're sorry. You're sorry. You say that every day, but you still go back and do the same thing. So how is your sorry important?
See, I won't do it again.
Of course you won't do it again. Because henceforth, I don't want to see you outside. You're going to remain inside, except when I need you.
Inside your room?
Yes! You're going to remain inside. Don't come outside again. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Who speaks
Good.
when silence is safer? Who speaks when silence is safer?
I don't understand. Which kind of secret relationship is this? How can you be in a relationship you're ashamed of? And you still be using intimidation to follow the people that is in the house with you? If not that woman is my madam, what kind of nonsense relationship is that one? Look at small boy, somebody that is by now she would have given birth. That woman has not given birth, she's looking for small boy that she's going to date. Nonsense.
You see that your sister? Choma, you see that your sister? Warn am. To God who made me, I no go warn you again. Warn am. Make she put her character in check. Put her mouth for chain. You dey hear me? Warn am.
I hear you. I beg, no vex. Don't be angry. Please. You know she's just a child.
Who be that one? Who is just a child? Now you dey even aid this your sister. You see all these things that your sister does, now you dey help am. Now you dey put am fire for Nyash.
No.
How can you be calling that agadi one, that one, a child? Is her mouth a child? The things where she dey talk, that girl is talking, even her behavior is as if she's older than Methuselah. The things where she dey talk, now small pikin dey talk am. One am I no go take am for here. She even went as far as going to apologize. Who asked am to apologize? If they say, Oga Henry no interfere now, she be not serve for take lose my job. Do you know what it takes to get a job in this Lagos?
I know. Now why they beg you? No vex. See, I've spoken with her. She won't do it again. Please. Now why I carry this food? Come now.
To
Okay,
come
I
bribe.
beg you.
No, to come bribe me. No, to come wipe my tears now.
You remember you talk, say make I dey give you double portion as the head of the house. Why I carry
Hope
am
say
come?
you put the head of the fish there.
Everything there inside, fish or chicken, assorted. I do you well.
Confirm. Everywhere good.
Everywhere good.
You know your way into my heart. Confirm.
Oh, say don't forgive me and my sister.
I don't forgive you. Maybe they watch your sister.
No way, she no go do am again. I don't follow am talk. And make I go serve madam before she go start it.
Okay, you never serve
I
madam.
never serve madam. Oh.
You first serve me. Jesus. This girl first serve me before she serve madam. My people, are you guys feeling what I'm feeling? She set a table before me first. Hey! In the presence of the owners of the house. When they feel am, make una still know. I get interest for here, make una still know. One of these days now, your able and elu can come mad. Yeah, surely but there ozugbo. But let's be watching everywhere good. Let's be watching. Baby!
You're so funny. Oh wait,
Oh, sorry.
that's my phone ringing.
Wait, let me get it for you.
No, don't worry. I'll just get it myself, eh?
Sure.
Don't worry, I'll come.
Don't keep me waiting.
I will not. I'm coming to our journey program.
where the TV is. Look, they are shooting gun there. Are you seeing it?
Are you
Stop looking at my sister like that.
Are you
She
mad?
doesn't like men like you, especially the ones that don't have hair on their head.
Are you stupid? Do
I
I look
just
like a
touched your head for
playmate?
the first time and it felt like I just touched the hardest stone in the whole world.
You are very stupid.
You too. It's okay. Ah. What is it? Do you see the way he was looking? He just remember, let him just enter the skirt. No, you should have just come and raise her skirt up and enter. Let her know that you are looking at her.
Please, sir, please, we are very...
Want your sister?
Yes, sir.
Warn yourself. Warn yourself.
Go inside.
And your barhead.
Go inside! Now! I said go inside!
This man has undressed
Get out!
his eye, oh. Hey, if you start at me.
I said go inside!
Look at this clown.
Keep passing.
Look at you looking like a fool. Want this your sister? Want this so-called idiot to call your sister because the next time she cross my path, I swear to God I will make sure that you get fired. Idiot.
I'm sorry, sir.
Get out.
Sir, don't be angry.
Hey, get out! Stupid people.
Mesoma. Please, what can I do so that you will mind your business in this house?
Anything. That's number one. Number two, your business is my business. Do you see the way that man was looking at you? That barhead, no my head man. Eh? He remains to let him just enter the skirt. No, if I had not entered that parlor that time, he would have just opened your skirt and entered.
Is that the answer to my question? I said, what can I do so that you will keep this your mouth shut? Eh? Do you want to get me fired here again? Is that your plan?
Here again. Oh, it's not my fault that you was fired in the last place now.
No, it's my fault. No, it's the fault of my father.
That's not what I'm saying.
Is it not because you insulted Madam's son, telling him that he's ugly? Is that not why they fired us?
That son is no insult. I mean, truth is bitter, but that boy is ugly now. You know, see his nose? See his nose spread like bulldozer. If that man mistakenly decides to take one deep breath one day, like this, the whole world will just enter his nose. I'm telling you. And the reason why he has that girlfriend he has is because of money. I used to even look at that his girlfriend sometimes. If the girlfriend is looking at him like this, he's disgusted. Because that boy is ugly. Me, I will never settle for less like that.
Mesoma, what do you want me to do with
Do you
now?
know the worst part? I finished suffering big nose. I come here, I'm suffering man with no hair. Man with no hair.
God, please help me. What do I do with this girl? What do I do with her?
Sister,
what do you want me to do with you?
just put me in school. I promise, once you put me in school, I will not be giving trouble. Even though I know you used to look for trouble. If I come like this, if I wake up in the morning, I put my trouble inside cupboard. It's just them, they'll be looking for my trouble. And me, I don't used to lock my trouble with padlock and key. I just used to close it. So if you look for it, you will find it easily. And I will not hesitate to pour it on you.
Hey! God. Mesoma. Please, I am begging you. If they sack us here, straight to the village, we are going straight to the village.
I don't want us to go back to the village. But my own house, no, they fear me. Yes, my village, you know, fearing me.
Oh yeah, now park. Let's go.
No,
park. Let's go.
Like
Let's
that.
go back to the village.
Sister, you used to get angry fast. Just this small thing I say, let me do James Bond. You have put me inside fire. Why you doing me like, come? Do you know that you're the finest sister in the whole world? Anybody that has your sister, why wouldn't I give trouble? When if I look at your face like this, my brain. If I look at your face, my brain, because you're too fine. You never know, you're too fine.
Go, Joe.
Hug me. Hug me.
Will you stop looking for trouble?
I don't used to look for. Okay.
Will you stop?
Okay. I will stop. Promise.
Oga Henry. Sean, sir.
What is it? What do you want?
See, I want to talk to you. Can I borrow just a few minutes of your time so I can speak to you?
You?
This one no be get man to Oga. This one a man to man. I want to advise you.
You, Caleb, you want to advise me? How?
No go doubt me. No say they say nothing good will come out of Nazareth. But finally, Nazareth now release banger. I dey tell you. You see as they see this work wey they do. Waiting in the colonna. All these fine boys where they go for rich woman house, go follow them, they date them, they because of money. Whether na jigolo or be jingolo, they call them. Waiting me are you? No be waiting they call them jingolo. I want to ask you, as a financial expert, hope you are saving. Are you saving?
Did I just hear you bring out all this rubbish? Did I just hear you vomit all these stupid rubbish things from your gutter mouth?
I don't understand. Waiting, I vomit. I dey tell you through this one, a man talking to man. Man advising
I
man.
swear, Caleb, I swear, the next time you try this again, I swear you will lose your job. See, I'm just in a good mood and I will let this slide. But the next time you try it again, you will lose your job. I promise you that. Get out!
One love, eh?
One love. Get out of here.
I was just thinking in case I did your shoe.
You will never be in my shoes. You will never be in my shoes, Caleb. You will never be.
Because you dey wear oversized.
You are very stupid.
I want for you.
Get out! Stupid oversized idiot. What kind of rubbish is this?
Gigi. What's happened? Why are you calm? Why didn't you notice that I've even walked into this place? As your sister started making troubles again.
Mesoma had a quarrel with Madam's boyfriend.
Ha!
I don't know what to do with that girl again. I am tired of her troubles. I am tired.
Let me ask you, how are you even related to that girl? How wanna relate to you and that Mesoma?
She's my late sister's daughter. My sister died while giving birth to her. So Mesoma, she has been with me since.
I foresee now because I was wondering how you are able to cope with this her character. If na me, you see that girl for done discard am since. Now recharge card 1.5 I go take and exchange. To God who made me. To God I tell you. To God. How can this girl be this troublesome and you are able to condone her since?
What do you want me to do about it? She's the only family I have. I can't just throw her away like that. I can't do that. And moreover, Mesoma is a very sweet and a smart child. When she's not making trouble.
My dear, you see this smartness and sweetness will go put me for trouble. Me, I don't need them. They hear me. Any sweetness will go bring me bitterness. I mean, they like her.
So, she told me, she said if I can put her in school, that she will stop making troubles.
And you believe her? Not before school, then go able. And for school, then go give her pinches. You don't know.
Mesoma, I don't even know what to believe. But aside that, she has to go to school and at least finish secondary school.
You get one local school where they fall outside the estate. Immediately after the gate. That school be like say, too expensive.
How much it be?
I don't know. The thing be say why I know say go dey expensive. And I say they see the students. Most of them know they follow school bus. You will see them they trek. Then go they 8, 9, 5. Gather the trek. And there I take where I'm saying, this one's no they call it AC. School no good.
If you help me check, beg. You will feel help me check.
I go share. They go buy madam something. If I go, I go check now. I go check for you.
Thank you, I'll really appreciate it if you can do this for me,
I have 5,000 school fees,
Thank you,
She walks with fire in her voice. You talk too much. She sees and speaks without fear. You do not listen.
There's someone I'm looking for.
Okay.
Like this, have you come across this face?
No. Never seen him before.
Like, I was told they stay around this area.
I never seen the face before.
You've not seen this face?
No.
Oh God. Okay, please. I'm going to go and come back. But in case you sight anyone who looks just like this, don't hesitate to tell me, okay?
No problem.
All right, please. Thank you.
She feels love. She puts her mouth everywhere. She speaks to elders without shaking. You are too bold. She questions what she should not question. You go too far. Even the young man cannot escape her words. You at trouble in the house of rule, in the house of order. There comes a voice.
Don't come back.
I don't come back. Oh.
How did thing go?
No good news at all.
Wetin happen?
If you see wetin schools they come. In fact, the first school where I go, I'm not even supposed to tell you wetin the price wey dem tell me because your brain cannot comprehend it. But the one where they affordable small, I know say you no go fit even afford that affordable. They say school fees 150. As new entry now, 250 total package.
Jesus Christ.
Then you go dey pay 150 per term.
250,000 naira.
Tell me that now.
Ha! That's like 5 months of my salary.
You don't see am now.
Hey!
Anything go happen now.
Wait. Cheaper schools no dey around. At least schools of 50,000 or something lesser.
Now cheaper wisdom they won't give that your sister. No see as how mouth they run. Fear. That person now the cheaper wisdom that one deserve. That your sister needs strong education with iron hand like this. You don't know. They say the education is not cheap. The education is not easy. So you bring money. It's very expensive. Education is expensive.
Maybe someone will have to hold on for this with this school thing now. She has to hold on for now until I'm able to raise money.
Better.
I don't know where I will get 250,000
But come. Make I suggest something for you.
What is it?
You see this 250K? I feel borrow you that money.
Yeah?
Shebi, you know, say I no get family like this.
Your parents and siblings are late.
Where the one die go? Which kind of question be that one? I say I don't have immediate family like me. I don't have a wife. I don't have children.
Okay. Hey, I thought you were married though.
Marry who? I'm never married. But I'm ready now. Like my mind is made up to marry. So
don't worry. God will give you a good wife.
Come. You are not a bad person, I swear.
What's happened?
The thing is, I've been saving all the money I'm making in this house. I can give you the 250. Maybe you pay me back later.
No. See, 250,000 naira is a lot of money. It's too much, and I beg, I don't want anything that will cause issues between us.
It cannot cause issues between us. Now me go devise the means where you go take the pay me. In fact, you might not even pay all. You could just pay some. Like if they pay you 50,000 now, give me 25, take 25, take and the whole body. Before you know it, you don't pay all. I will just give you small discount.
See, Caleb, I understand, okay? And I really appreciate what you're trying to do.
You don't understand. You just tell me you understand. You should understand where I'm going to.
The money is too much. How will I be able to pay you?
To pay the money is not the problem.
Why are you telling me you never married?
I never married. I can borrow you this money, not the fear. See, I never married. And I am ready now. I'm able and capable.
How that won't take concern me? He never marry her.
If I borrow you this money now me go divide the means where you could take pay me. I not go stress you. You can even pay half. I go just a little.
See, thank you, you're a good man. But I don't want.
Confess.
See.
Let me tell you this, because I won't borrow you money. I'm not under pressure to take it, but just still know.
This your still no, they fear me.
No, just still know. You there Lagos, but this girl brain, as about too far. To God who made me. So I know the reason why. Man, they tell you say, won't borrow you money. If na better city girl now, you go know say wait and wait. Once you give and take, money don't grow. Just give me what I want. 250. Go party. But this one no get sense.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Choma. How are you?
Fine, sir.
How was your night?
It was fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's go. You make sure you tidy up the whole house. Yes, huh? Make sure everywhere is neat before we come back.
Hey, come on, let's go.
Hey. Hello.
Oh, madam. Good morning. No. Good morning, Oga.
I said, what are you doing here? Do you think I care about your stupid greetings?
Sorry. I said let me come out now and receive morning sun. That's vitamin D. It gives vitamin D. Madam, you and Oga, instead of you able to be staying inside and be collecting AC every time, sometimes when you will come out and be under the sun, it gives nutrients in the body. It will help you to be fresher and you will not be growing old fast.
You can keep that advice to your ancestors.
I don't know
Give it
them.
to them. You don't know them, eh? You will know them today. Because the only thing you do in this house, since you came into this house, is to eat, gossip, open your mouth, sleep under my roof, and then you wake up in the morning, sit down here under the sun. That's the only thing you came to do in this house.
Madam, I know you used to gossip. If I meet somebody, I tell the person how my mind is plump and plain. But my sister, she's inside here. I saw her mopping the parlor.
Are you insane? How dare you talk back at me?
No,
eh? Are you?
Hey! Temptation, no. I don't know.
Just imagine, no. Where's her stupid sister, Choma? Where's Choma?
Choma!
Choma? Ma!
Choma!
Choma!
Ma, sir.
So your plan is to kill me?
God forbid, ma. God forbid yourself.
You brought your sister, this your talkative sister, your troublesome sister, you brought her to my house to just eat my food, lazy about, be stupid and sit under the sun to do nothing. That's what you did, right? No, ma. Look, let me warn you. Choma, let me warn you. This will be the last time this will ever happen in this house. For your sister to be jobless, the only thing she knows how to do is to eat. The next time this happens again, you will leave this house. Both of you will leave my house. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma. We are sorry, ma.
My friend, get inside. Nonsense. Low life idiots. Where's that gate man? Where is he now?
Actually, you sent him to get you something, remember?
And he's not yet back. Who will open the gate?
It's fine, let me open it.
No. For what now? How will you open the gate?
Come on, it's just gate now. Let me just open the gate.
No, now. I don't need to stress, my darling. Where's that girl? Mesoma. Mesoma.
Mesoma.
This girl's always making a shout. I'm just having a headache. Babe, I don't like this.
Oh! Madam, I thought you are the one that just ordered me now. Get inside. You're not a woman of integrity. You're just talking.
Can you imagine? Make yourself useful and open that gate, my friend.
Madam, I should open this gate. See this man. This full-grown man with his head.
Are you mad?
Sorry.
Open the gate!
This girl, she's so...
Madam, this gate.
I'm just maintaining my seat. I'm maintaining my seat. If not, this girl, better open that gate. I just want to maintain my teeth because of you. If not, I would have removed your teeth. Let's go.
Soma, what happened? Why did she call you?
I should open the gate. Guess man is not around. I should make myself useful. That's I'm useless now. More useless than that overgrown baby. She's carrying up and down everywhere. That boy is there, and he asked a small girl like me to open that. What if I open that gate now and faint?
Did you faint?
I would have. Who knows? Small thing now. Film on the ground.
Shut up. Just shut up your mouth. This girl, shut up your mouth before you put us in all that trouble. What is wrong with you?
Did I say now?
Have I not warned you? Have I not warned you that if you're not doing anything productive, lock yourself inside that room? But you never listen to me. You don't always listen to me. Why?
Sister, you need to understand from my own point of view too. If I lock myself inside that room, how will I survive? I'll be bored. Boredom will kill me. Or you want me to be counting the ceiling? Or what? You want me to think about my life? You don't know that people that used to think about their life used to grow old fast. You now start seeing wrinkle. You will be looking younger than me. If they come on the road, they'll be asking me, are you her mother? Are you her mother?
This girl. Miss Soma, please, I am begging you. Please.
Oh yeah, see. Buy me phone now.
Eh?
If you buy me phone now, that type that they used to put game inside, even if it's snake game, I'll put like 30 and be playing. You not even know that I'm in this house, Seth.
Hey.
I promise you.
I should buy you a phone. When I'm still looking for money to pay your school fees.
Yeah, sorry.
You're asking for a phone.
Sorry.
Me, do I have a phone?
It's okay. I've been suggesting school for you since. Look, I know things are hard. I understand that part. But once you put me in school, now if you try hard and put me in school, schedule will be tight. Nothing to do again. Only if I wake up by that kind 6 a.m., I will go to school. Come back in the evening. Before I finish doing my homework, my project, everything the teacher gave me, it will be night. I will sleep.
Mesoma, please, I am begging you. You know your mouth is very sharp. Your mouth is so sharp. Please control your mouth so you don't put us in trouble and they don't kick us out of this house. If they kick us out, we don't have anywhere to go.
They are holding the opener. I don't know how they found it in life. They are holding the opener to my mouth.
My friend, shut
it's
up.
Not like I used to just stay and be talking. If you open me, I talk. I don't have...
My friend, go inside. Go inside now.
The sun, there's one kind of sun.
Inside! Now!
A woman of power, a heart of fire, Ngozi stands strong. Her beauty arrives, quiet like the dawn.
The most beautiful girl on earth. Messing. This time where your face there like this, there's no problem.
Do you know that Madame scolded Mesoma today?
What did Mesoma do again?
Me, I don't know. According to Mesoma, she said she was just sitting outside here, doing nothing. Madame came out. The next thing, she started shouting that what is she doing there? She's just there idling around. She's not doing anything. That the next time she sees her staying like that she will send us out of this house. And you know what that means?
That one means say you self go house with that.
Yes, now.
So what do you intend doing now?
Eh, that offer you gave to me the other day about lending me money for her school fees, is it still open?
You want the money now?
Now, that's the only way I can keep Mesoma busy and to save my job. This one, she and Madam, they always, I know, they fear, make Madam no go throw us out of this house.
See what thing go happen. You go drop your account for me. I'll send you the money.
Thank you.
Anytime we Madam come out, I go just find small opportunity, rush go bank, send you the money. I for use my phone, but that transfer I need to do am on desk.
I understand.
Across counter because now my savings money.
I understand. Thank you so much, Caleb. God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you. You don't know what you've done for me and my sister.
Thank you.
God bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, but please still remember what I tell you. Say I won't use that money do.
What with that again?
Now my marital money.
Oh.
That money, na money where I save to take settle down.
Okay.
And I no go fit use and do another thing. I must use that money settle down.
Don't worry. See, before that time, I go pay you.
No, I say I won't use that money settle down.
Hey, now wetin I dey talk. I say before that time, I go pay you.
Me and you, if you just get small agreement, you no go pay again.
No. I no be that kind person, no. I go make sure I go pay your money. I go pay.
You know, say I never marry. I need to born.
You go marry. Why you no go marry? I go pay you before that time. Honestly.
I need to get myself a wife.
You will get yourself a wife. I dey tell you, say, me, I go pay you your money. Trust me. I appreciate all that you do for me. God bless you.
Use that money, marry.
You go marry now. Why you dey talk this thing? You go marry.
Jesus.
I go send my account, Thank you. God bless you.
Ha! This one now, Bobo ni say they have brain. Bobo ni say, you know, pass like that. Everything why they tell this girl, she know they even go the lane why they go. I won't use this money marry you. Must I put you? Na cover the day your head. She can't human be. Ne, that's it. Make it there. Still no. Na Lagos you, Asaba too far. Na Lagos you there. Where you are coming from too far. Asaba too far.
A woman of power, a heart of fire.
Yep.
She stands strong.
Okay. So, I'm taking you out tomorrow.
You're taking me out?
Yes.
What did I do to deserve this takeout?
But guess where we're going?
I want to go to ShopRite. I want to go to, or you take me to Coastal ice cream place. That is, you sell good ice cream. I'll finish your money. I'll lick all the ice cream there.
Don't worry, very soon I'll take you there. But you're wrong. That's not where I'm taking you to tomorrow.
Okay. Are you taking me to restaurants where we buy food?
You're wrong again. Well, okay, let me tell you. We are going to school. I'm going to register you in school tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
But you have to promise me that you're not going to make any trouble again.
Thank you, sir.
Promise.
Just know that I'm not the one that causes trouble. If they find my trouble...
You want me to change my mind?
I will not cause trouble again.
Promise.
Promise.
I'm so excited.
Everything
So I'm going to go. Wait, you're registering me straight away.
lost and found like the times. And when the road
Baby, you're not going today?
Nah. Yes, actually, I'm not going to work today.
What's wrong?
Just a bit tired. Plus, I don't have anything to do at work today, and it's Friday, remember?
You have to go and see the doctor.
I'll be fine. I just need to rest a bit, and I'll be up my feet.
Are you sure you'll be fine? Because, okay, you know what? I hope you're still going to be here when I return from work.
Well, baby. course I will be here.
Are you sure?
Of course. You know I have nowhere else to be at except being with you. And this weekend is just gonna be me and you.
I love that. It makes me feel wanted.
Because you're wanted. You are the most wanted person in my life right now.
I love it. Well, I love that. Not the you that will always give excuses to run away from me.
And let me tell you something. You see this me standing in front of you. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not running. In fact, you'll be the one running.
I'm not going to ever leave you.
Okay, well, you need to start going to work now before I undress you.
That's what I want, baby. I want you to undress me. Kiss me. Not to you. Alright, I need to start going.
Alright, baby.
Yeah. See you soon.
Alright, take care, baby.
Later.
Alright,
baby.
Bye. Bye.
Choma.
Hi. Madam. Good morning. Good morning.
Where are you going to with this bag?
Man, good thing has happened to me today. My sister is taking me to school.
School? What school?
You're happy, right? I know that smile used to be hard to come to your face, but that's your sign of happiness. My sister is taking me to new school. We're registering in new school here. You know, after we left that place that we are, I don't know how to go to school again. So the school that is here, she puts me.
Choma.
Ma. Yes, ma'am.
Choma, are you stealing my money?
God forbid, ma. I would never steal your money. I have never stolen your money before.
So, how did you get the money to register this thing in school?
Ma, I have never stolen from anybody in my entire life. I would never try a thing like that.
It's true. My sister is not a thief.
And I have not paid you yet. So where did you get the money from to register her in school?
It's from my savings from the last job.
We're not poor before we got here. I don't know what to think she did for.
I hope this you're doing with your sister will not distract you from your job in this house.
No, distract me, Ken. It will never distract me.
Because if it does, Choma, you know what I can do? Yes. I will just fling you out of this house. I will sack you. Yes, do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma. I'm almost done with breakfast. Breakfast will soon be ready.
I'm not hungry.
Thank God that she's not eating extra food for me.
Mesoma, did I ask you to come outside?
I did not know it would be a problem if a woman that will give birth to her own children and want them to go to school knows that a child like me is going to school. It's only bad belly and wicked people that used to do that thing. When you hear a child is going to school, the first thing you should do is, wow, before you now start asking about
friend, keep quiet. Keep quiet.
This woman,
let's go.
It's your madam, Maybe I prefer to be that. If not that you're a fair lady, I would have seen all the fair ladies in the world. Yeah, like that.
Yes, Oma. Do you know that I borrowed this money from Uncle Caleb to register you in school?
I didn't know. You know that you told madam that you got the money from your savings.
Savings?
Yes, now.
Which savings?
From your last job. You don't know what you told her.
Did I have any savings while I was there? There was no savings. I borrowed this money from Caleb to be paid instrumentally after I received my salary. So please, Mesoma, I am begging you, make use of it. I don't want to hear that you fought. I don't want to hear that you got into trouble that will make them expel you like they did in your last school.
That last one was not my fault. It was not my fault. That girl was looking for my trouble. You don't expect me to keep quiet when somebody is coming to me, like, is charging at me. I have to defend.
Okay, so who suffered at the end? She looked for your trouble, you beat her. So who got expelled? You. Now who is looking for money to register you in another school? Me. So now tell me, what has beating her benefited us? What has it benefited us? Look, Mesoma, I am begging you. If they expel you in this new school now, just know that that's the end. I have removed my hand. Are we clear? You're not going to look for anybody's trouble. I want you to open your mouth and promise me. Promise. Yeah, let's go.
A woman of power, a heart of fire, Ngozi stands strong. Her beauty arrives, quiet like the dawn. She my walks in, eyes begin to wander, hearts begin to shift. Trouble is near.
Who's it? Is who?
Truth comes out.
Chama! Oh, hold on a minute.
Voices clash.
Come in.
The summer holds your tongue. She cannot.
What is wrong
Sir,
with
please,
you?
I'm sorry.
It's not like as if I'm naked. I'm not really naked. Chill.
Sir, please, I wanted to ask you if I should serve your breakfast.
Well, yes, you can serve it, and
Okay, sir.
maybe you can also be a breakfast too to me,
No, sir, please. Let me serve your breakfast.
Are you?
I don't like it.
Why are you pretending like you don't like it? What is wrong with you?
Because I don't like it.
Listen, let me tell you something. I like it. And in fact, I like you too.
Please, sir, please. Look, I don't want any problem here. Can you just leave me alone?
There is no problem. Just play the game with me. Everything's gonna be safe.
What game are you talking about? You're Madam's boyfriend. You shouldn't even be having this kind of conversation with me.
Choma, listen. Okay, let's say for example, I'm your brother. Would you let me date that old woman? Choma, let me take care of you.
I don't want you to take care of
Listen, let me tell you something. If you be with me, I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to take you out of this place. I am only using that old woman's influence to build up my career. And then I am done collecting everything from her. Me and you will be together.
Sister, let me just tell you now. I cannot have anything intimate to do with you. I cannot.
You can.
So please stop this thing.
Choma,
Stop this thing you're doing. No, stop it.
Come. What is wrong with you?
Sir.
Come back here.
What did happen? It's almost afternoon now, you still there here. You know I'm going inside.
Waiting can't happen. I like this place. Besides, I dey wait for my sister make she come back from school.
Which one be you like this place? Go inside now, go sleep for your room. Don't worry, enter my room.
Enter your room to waiting.
Make use of my bed.
I tell you, say I want your bed. This place where I dey, it dey very comfortable.
Just go
I
and
like
lie
this
down
place.
peacefully on my bed.
I don't want, thank you.
No go think that thing with your mind. There's nothing in the shell. Enter my room. Go.
You.
Me, I'm not a bad person. I'm a very good guy.
Oh, story.
Go enter room.
I know what enter room. I do okay here.
No wow.
Never make the sleep come off from my eye.
Bring them back. Help me lock this trouser.
As waiting.
Just help me lock.
No lock am yourself.
Hey,
Wait
make I
for
even
me.
ask you. Chom, you get boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend?
Wetin bring that question now? Why they ask me?
I just want to know if you have a man in your life. Do you have a boyfriend? You get man?
No, I don't.
Ah.
And I don't have any plans of having a boyfriend.
That first one where you talk, do okay. Thank God. You don't have. Thank God.
Wetin come concern you now if I get boyfriend? If I
No,
don't get
you
boyfriend?
no go get. Thank God I dey with you.
Thank God say wetin happen.
Say you no get man. Still no.
Still no waiting. Still no.
Still no.
How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you doing? Please, I'm looking for one lady. I was told she lives around here. Her name is Magdalene. She should be living with a girl at about your age. She's pretty fair.
See, the truth is, I just packed into the streets like not so long ago. So I'm not familiar with people around here and their names and their faces. I wish I could help, but I don't know. I've not heard of any Magdalene here before.
No problem. I don't know. But in case we might see some other time, if you see anyone by name Magdalene, don't hesitate to let me know, okay? Thank you for your time, I really appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sweet though.
Mama, the granite now is sweet to die.
Hey.
In fact, we are wasting the granite too. And so if this granite now, if you go and bring Gary, you know that kind of Gary with the slap. You go bring a now white Gary. Bring cold water, maybe break ice block inside.
Hey.
Then pour this granite. Pour like 6 sugar.
You go make sense where.
Then come dey bad mood. They know they drink Gary with good mood. You bring all your situation, all the problem where they your life. When you they remember and they take the cold Gary. But once you say your tension go they drop.
Hey, my sister. You're back. Welcome.
Welcome. See student too. My dear, now school you go, I've been a lady clerk work you go do.
What do you mean? Caleb, waiting they bring that one now.
Which kind student where we are shotgun lady? Where your school uniform now?
They have not given me. They said that they'll give me on Monday.
You see, they said Monday.
Yeah, we'll give you on Monday.
Yes.
Okay, no one know bad now. Monday is just around the corner. You know, say school people then go just collect money for waiting they no get. Everywhere good.
Please ignore him. How was school? How was your first day at school?
It was fine, but I'm hungry.
Hey, you're hungry. Yeah, we'll go inside, so I'll feed you very well.
You don't see your sister now. Now you won't go inside. They beg you since you go rest inside. You no agree.
It concerns you. I want to go and feed her. You think say it's easy to day school since morning?
You cannot relate.
You say?
You can't relate.
Who cannot relate? Illiterate in Aso-Ibo. Now make you start your school from the worst side of education. See what thing you wear. Short gown, now you wear go school. Mumu, I cannot relate. You when they relate, you know be house girl, you assistant house girl you be. An animal. You are a bad man too.
Come on. Come on. Come here.
meaning of that nonsense? What is the meaning of that nonsense? Why would you touch my sister like that? Are you losing nuts in your head? No, don't tell me. Don't tell me it's okay because if a lawyer hears of this thing now, straight to jail. Do you know what he did to you, Ara? You call me Ting. See, pot calling kettle black. You just open that hole in front of your face to call me Ting. Hey, homie, see, it is you and your generation. Oh, I don't want to call your generation. Those children are innocent. Yeah, I don't want to call your family, yo, because there's no how an unreasonable man will come from a reasonable family. What kind of thing is this? Stop it!
What's wrong with you? You are insulting me.
No, sir.
You, this common maid, you are insulting me.
Sir, please forgive her, sir. We're sorry. Please forgive her.
Forgive me for what? What have I done now? That's how you will be. No! He should be on his knees now because of what he just did to you. He just touched you because if you open your mouth and tell police this thing now, his life is in danger. His life is in danger.
So you are still talking?
Hey.
Oh, she's still talking to me?
Of course! I am talking to you!
I will change the bottom
of the from your face is head! I am talking to you! You! It's okay! Stop it! What is wrong with you? Do you want me to go crazy? No, don't go crazy, yo! He said I should be going crazy here. You should not be picking popcorn on the market. That's where he belongs. Look at him. He already looks like a mad person. You will not shave his baby. Go inside.
She's talking to me. This thing is talking to me.
Hey, call me that thing one more time, I'll show you that they gave it to me in the village.
It's not like this house is.
Go inside.
This house, right?
Inside. Hey, don't threaten me with house, Don't threaten me with house, Hey, I have house.
This is your
I have house. Mr. Man.
This little thing is talking to me.
No, sir, she's not talking to you. She's not talking to you, sir. Please, sir. Please forgive her. She's just a small girl.
Get out!
Yes, sorry, sir. Mesoma! I thought you said once you started school, this nonsense will stop. So what's the meaning of that rubbish you did out there?
Sister, that man was harassing you.
Harassment. Is that why you will talk to him?
Yes, now. Which one is that why you're talking to him? I will more than talk to him. If there's a way I can punch him, I'll punch him. I don't even understand you, Seth. You should be happy. You should be proud of me that I stood up. I stood up against that man. Somebody that was touching you. You would have just followed him up with a slap. Why? Me, I will support you by giving me a knock in the middle of that his head. The one that will make him to have headache for 7 Eke market days.
Yeah. You will give him a knock on his head, ba?
Yes.
On his head?
In the middle, here.
You've forgotten that this man is not just any man. He's our boss. Our Oga.
Which one? Which kind of boss? Is he the one that is boss? Is it that boss? Is he boss on the road? If he's boss, I'm conductor now. I'm the conductor of the bus that he's driving. What kind of nonsense boss is that one? Stupid, useless. See, the only Oga I know in this house is Madam Ngozi. The day that I entered this house and I was looking for a job is Madam Ngozi I saw. And she did not tell me, there's a man called Henry that will come and become your boss. Or your boss driver.
Mesoma. This man has the power to fire us. He has the power to sack us. I hope you heard what he said.
I am waiting patiently. That man should mistakenly enter my trap by telling Madam this thing that happened today. The way I will bring Madam sit her down, cut the situation in 2 minutes, in 2 seconds, dissect it, bisect it, everything. I will cook it and put spices inside. Make sure, the thing I'm saying is sweet. And I'll tell her.
And she will believe you.
The way that I will say it safe, she must believe me. See, sister, the fact that I'm looking for a job does not mean I'm desperate, No, I will not take any insult or be treated like a slave in somebody else's house.
Mesoma, I'm scared. I am scared. I am scared because if you continue like this, we will leave this house. And you know what that means? That means you will stop going to school and we'll return to the village.
We will not leave this house. We will not be sacked. Look at me in the face and trust me. Trust me. Why are you like this?
With the way you are behaving.
It's me that is now the brave one. You are always scared.
Yeah, now you're the troublesome one. You're the troublemaker.
I'm not troublesome. I'm just a strong girl that always has words to dispose.
Keep disposing. Keep disposing. Keep spilling. Don't stop, Continue disposing.
Sister, this thing that you're
It
doing.
is when they sack us. Just get ready
You
to
should
go
be
to
proud
the
of.
village.
You don't know that if that man touches you now, this small one that she touched you, you will leave it and say, oh, he's my boss driver. The next one he will upgrade. Next thing he will start opening this door. Next thing he will...
Just tell you. Don't stop, or just continue until you land us in trouble. And when you land us in trouble, to the village.
There is no trouble.
That is where we are going next.
There is no trouble. That man has nothing. He
continue.
Now that I'm not in school, it's crucial matters. I'm now in the Supreme Court. I only handle crucial matters. What kind of nonsense, stupid behavior is that? Somebody will be... If I catch you, you are lucky. That your head. You don't know how vulnerable you are. I will...
Sweet. What is it now? I know you're angry with your mama that she didn't come back home early today. But I'm sorry. I had a lot of engagement to sort out at the office.
Babe, I want them fired.
Who?
That child and her sister, I want the both of them fired out of this house.
Okay. But what did they do?
Babe, you won't believe that this girl insulted me. This girl insulted me. She called me a parasite.
What?
Yes, she even called you a pedophile.
She called me a pedophile?
Yes.
No, she didn't do that.
Babe, she did.
She did not do that.
Babe, listen, let me tell you something. Do you know that the reason why it all happened was because I saw her studying at the table, dining table. Then I told her to go to her room to go and study, and she started insulting me. She called me names. She said a lot to me. Babe, you need to throw them out of this house.
They're leaving my house this minute.
They should leave your house this minute. What of rubbish is this?
Me? A pedophile?
Yes.
For what?
A pedophile.
What rubbish?
She kept on calling you a pedophile like 50 times. Throw them out. If I can't have you, nobody can. If I can't have you in this house, then you leave this house. Stupid girl.
Leave my house.
Please, Mom, we are sorry.
Leave my house. You're still talking. I said get out of my house. Leave my house.
I'm sorry.
You think I care about your apologies? I don't give a damn about your apologies. What I care about right now is for both of you to leave my house. Leave these premises right now, else I will call the police. I will lock you up.
Forgive us. Please forgive us. Forgive us. Okay. We are sorry. It won't happen again.
I should forgive you. Abi? I should forgive you. Yes. What I wonder about this little urchin. I told her to stay away from my business. You wouldn't listen to me. Now this daughter of a nobody had the temerity to insult my man, to disrespect him. And she even went as far as calling me a pedophile. Can you imagine?
Pedo what? Sorry, what is that? Because I've not heard of the word before. What do you mean by pedophile?
Oh, you're now calling my boyfriend a liar in front of me. You can hear that. She just called Henry a liar.
They say he's a liar. I just said I've not heard the word pedophile before. I don't even know the meaning. They've not taught us in our school. If you can just explain it to us, I understand. She's accusing me wrongly.
Oh, allow her to wag her mouth. Keep talking. Because you're very disrespectful.
Sorry.
Keep talking.
Sorry.
Ma, it was just a little misunderstanding. That was settled immediately. There was no she apologized, I apologized. That's all. Please, Ma, if you trust us, we don't have anywhere to go. No. We don't have anywhere else.
You don't have anywhere to go to.
It will not happen again, Ma, I promise you, Ma.
See, you have to know where to go to. Take this little brat to where she will be disrespectful and nothing will be done about it. As for me, I will not tolerate it in this house. I will never.
Mama, you have to be coming down. You're a woman.
You're talking back.
She's
You are seeing your sister.
Look, sorry.
By the time I go upstairs and come back, and I see both of you here, I will take you behind bars. You've not seen anything.
Ma, please, we are sorry.
You're sorry, Abi. You're still here.
Ma, please,
okay,
we are sorry.
Ma,
please, we are sorry, Ma. Please, it won't happen again. Ma.
I don't even understand though. How can the person that committed crime here, they have not put the person inside bar, is me?
Mr. Ma, will you shut up? Can you shut up your mouth? I was telling you that time. I said, shut up, shut up, shut up. You were there opening your mouth, insulting this man. Now see what you've done. Now where do you want us to go to? Where do
Village. Find comfortable house there. We'll start selling pure water. Good business. Ha.
We should go back to the village.
Yes.
We should go back to the village.
That place is fine too. Now it's not where
Come on, will you shut up? So what happens to your school?
We'll leave school and be selling pure water. Or say something. And school.
Ma,
it's okay.
Ma, please, we are sorry.
It's okay.
Ma, we are sorry.
You're crying. Carry bag. Let's go.
Drop this bag.
Carry bag. Let's go. Why will I beg? Have I not tried? The one I begged before and she's not here. You think she will hear if I beg again? I'm not here to stress myself. I was not even going to the village before. It's even me that even brought.
Make someone bring the bag here.
Wetin be that? Wetin happen?
Madam sacked my sister.
Madam sacked your sister? What did you do? Wetin you do?
I did not do anything. You know that I will never react without a trigger. Is that a bald man that had the mind to touch my sister inappropriately? Immediately he did it. You know me now. I don't even used to hide mouth. I opened my mouth the way I was feeling and I gave it to him back to back.
Now you the man touch.
It's my sister.
No, I want to ask you. Now you the man touch. Now your body the man touch inappropriately. No be to go release this dog on you now. Make they just finish you once now.
It's you that they will finish.
Wetin concern you for the inappropriately wey dem touch person? See wetin you don cause now. Chum. Na true, the guy touch you inappropriately. Henry.
This is the third time now.
You see? If I don't stop it, it will keep happening. 4, 5, 6, 7.
So that is way too. So now be the reason why they always come sit down with me here anytime your sister goes to school.
Caleb, you know me. You know I don't like problem. I don't want anything that will cause problem in this house. That's why I like staying on my own and minding my business. Hey, I don't want any problem. I don't.
Uncle Caleb, please, can you borrow me your phone for some time?
I don't understand. Borrow you your phone as waiting. You know who you want to use and call.
Just borrow me the phone first. I want to get my sister's
Madam,
job.
I no get recharge card inside my phone.
I don't want to call anybody. Will you ever have recharge card? Just give me the phone. I don't want to make call.
Who be this
You
girl?
think if I need to make call, it's you I will come and meet?
Give me. The phone go move from my pocket.
Sorry.
Think they worry. What do you want to use the phone do?
I want to get my sister's job back.
You want to get your sister's job back? In what way?
Okay, Caleb.
In what way now? How do
Can
you
you just give me the phone? It's not like if I will swallow your phone or I will throw it away. I will still just bring it back, JJ, and give you.
Madam,
just give me the phone.
I don't know what you want to do with my phone. No, go break my screen. You dey hear me?
Give me.
I don't know how you want to do what you want to do, but no go spoil my phone.
Okay. So how many years have you been using this phone for?
How many years are you as a human being when you never
Oh,
speak
you've been using it from since I was 1 year old.
I slap you.
You have suffered.
If I slap
Other people will bring out bulk money like this and buy iPhone 16 Pro Max. Some people have even entered 18. They are pre-ordering 18 now. You are still the SS.
That's why you don't have sense now. People they get SS. You say they use SS mouth, but you no SS mouth you get to the talk rubbish. See, you see this your sister, you go want am o. Put am for chain to God who made me. Put am for chain. Because anywhere where they go now with this bag, as they don't sack you now, see the time where they take sack you. Anywhere where they go, even if na governor house you wan go work, they must sack you again with this your sister. This is the weapon fashioned against you. This your sister is the weapon fashioned against you. What kind of rubbish be this?
Wait, what are you doing here?
Ask her to call us back.
What are you still doing in this house?
I said ask her to call us back and you're asking me questions. If you don't, I'll tell her everything that happened.
Tell her what? You think she will believe your sister's words over mine? Never.
That's true. You're very right. I should have thought about that. But maybe This girl has a proof.
That's a lie. There is no proof.
Oh.
Babe, I'm coming. I'm on a call. I'm coming.
Alright, just 1 second. Let me quick. What is it, sir?
Chill.
I don't have any proof. I just want to play something.
Calm down. Okay, listen. I will talk to her. She will retract her statements. But don't do anything stupid.
It's you. You, your whole life. Stupid.
I don't blame you. You're very stupid.
Oh, okay.
Relax. Sorry, get out. Go, get out. And delete that. Delete it. Yes, now.
Okay, take and delete now. Take.
Delete it now.
Nonsense. You delete it to your head.
See,
Don't talk to me. It's the way you talk now. I'll just.
Oh yeah, now I've heard you. Get out. Go.
A woman of power,
This is rubbish.
a heart of fire, grows and stands strong.
I really hope it's a lie.
Her beauty.
Waiting they keep your sister inside there now. Waiting she still there now they do. Waiting be all these ones.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Take your phone back.
Waiting happen.
Mesoma, what did you do?
I got your job back for you.
In what way now?
Don't worry. You ask too much questions. You see it. Just give it time. My magic works slowly. And a magician never reveals her charm. So I'm not going to.
Echi, I go come out here now, because whatever your sister did must bring police to come this compound. Anything where you go inside that place doing, I must resort to siren, win here. So make I dey go. You dey here?
Go up, big.
Mesoma, carry your bag, let's go. Carry your bag, let's go.
Calm down. Is it this one you're listening to? This one. I don't want to open my mouth. Just give me 5 minutes.
Which 5 minutes?
Calm down now. Oh, you think if I sense any small danger here, I'll say let's stay here? Me, I'm strong, but I cannot fight police. I will bring out hand. They'll bring out God.
Mesoma, Biko. I don't want any problem. I don't have time for your drama.
Oh yeah. If we stay, just now calculate it. If we stay here 5 minutes, on the 5th minute, if nothing happened, nothing changed, we will go. I promise you. Just calm down for me. Calm down, Calm down. Since you want to sit down here, I wanted to sit down on that big chair. Since you like this place, it's okay. It's okay. Stop worrying so much. I'm here.
Listen my talks. Before we go.
Baby.
Hey. What is it now? Why are you like this? Is it because of those local stupid girls? Sweetheart, I don't like you when you're like this.
Baby,
I just want to see you happy all the time.
I know. I remember, you met me as an orphan, right?
Yes.
Exactly. And you took me in. You loved me. You cared for me, even though I had flaws, but you were still there for me. And you made sure that I turned out to be a great man. I mean, here I am today.
Yeah. Whenever I look at the man you've become, I'm so proud of myself and I'm proud of you.
Yes, exactly, baby. This is where I'm heading to now. Babe, you know that these girls have been childish since they got into this house. Yes, very, very childish, especially that idiot, that small, tiny one. What's her name again? Mesoma. But I want you to look at them the way you looked at me the first time you saw me.
Wait. Are you trying to say that I should forgive Choma and Mesoma?
No, baby. No.
Babe.
Listen. I'm only asking you to be the mother that you are to everyone.
Babe, she disrespected you. She even insulted me. I will not stand it.
I know, baby. Listen, that is why she is a child. Remember? And if a parent wants to punish a child, it's not by throwing them out, but by doing something else, not throwing them out. Babe, listen. I want you to forgive them, and you know they don't have anywhere to go to.
I mean, they should have thought about it before being silly. Eh?
Babe, I know. Listen, okay, let me tell you something. If you forgive them, I promise you that I'm going to give you some sugar tonight.
Wait. Are you trying to bribe me?
Yeah, I mean, you can say that. Probably, maybe.
Alright, fine. I'll let them in.
Okay, right now.
Right now?
Yes, they're outside right now. They don't have anywhere to go to. Let's just bring them in.
For what now?
Let's just bring them in. Let's just go bring them in. I mean, it's just downstairs. We'll come back inside.
I want to be with you.
I know.
I need you.
I know.
I'm in the mood.
Babe, let's just go downstairs.
No.
Babe, let's go downstairs. Babe, let's go. Babe, listen. Babe, listen. Let's just go downstairs. Babe.
Hold my ass.
Babe, listen.
Thank your gods. You better go and thank your God. Because Henry has suddenly become your God. You have to go and thank him. Oh. This is the second time he's pleading on your behalf. Because you're very stupid. You look, the next time both of you misbehave in this house, I will send you out. And nothing in this life will make me to keep you in this house. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now get out. Go and set my table.
Yes,
go and set the dining table immediately.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
My friend, go inside. Nonsense. You're lucky. Just go and thank Henry. Thank the gods you're serving in your village. If not, and you, look at me. The next time, you try what you did. This your watery mouth. You're always talking. Your mouth is always running like tap. Stay away from myself and my man. Do you understand me? Stay away from us. So, please, I'm begging you. If you want to stay in this house, you better stay away from us. Do you understand me? I'm talking to you. Nonsense. You think you're stubborn? You see someone that is more stubborn than you are. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Oh, from the day one I entered this house, I've heard this long speech. If she even throw us out again, I will tell her exactly what she will say. Oh, my man. He has saved you. He's your God. This little urchin. That one is their favorite English. I think they just learned it to you. This little urchin. This little parasite. She do this. She's a talkative. The main thing, did I win? Yes! And did she lose? Yes! That was me fast.
Yes, I am.
Stay, let me massage you. I want to massage you.
It's my neck.
This side.
Hey. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Mesoma. What did you do?
I got your job back for you.
I know you got my job back. But how did you do it?
See that phone I collected that time? I carried it and I went to that man's room. I told him that I recorded everything. That if he doesn't tell madam to give us our job back, I'll play it for madam. Believe me.
Soma?
Yes.
But there was no recording now.
See, if true there is recording, and I bring it out and I show madam, do you know what he will lose? So he couldn't stand to lose those things, whether it's true or whether it's not true. The fact that I have already said that I have recording and the confidence that I talked to him with first, he understood that this girl.
Hey, this girl. You are too smart for your age.
Oh.
You are too smart.
See, this is the first time you're actually complimenting me. Others is, you talk too much. Cut your mouth. Do this. Zip your mouth. Don't talk. Talkative.
Because I was wondering. I said, how?
You don't know me again.
I thought you were already on our way to the village.
When I was telling you, I was beating my chest and I was telling you, trust me, you won't lose the job.
Anyways, this your mouth has done something good for once.
See? Anything that people would think have disadvantage has what? Advantage.
But that does not mean you will keep looking for trouble.
I know
you should learn how to shut this your mouth.
Somebody.
Meso, wake up. Wake up and get ready for school. Wake up. Mesoma, you're still here? Won't you go to school today? What is wrong with you? Eh? Why are you shaking like that? Hey! Mesoma, you're running temperature. What is wrong with you now? Eh? How are you feeling?
Oh, baby.
How?
I feel hot inside and cold outside.
Hey, Jesus.
Somehow.
Jesus.
What is that, Mitoko?
Caleb, please, I need your help. I need your help.
What is it?
It's Mesoma. It's my sister.
What has she committed again?
She's very sick. She's very sick. I don't know. Her body is burning. She's running temperature.
Rush and go and buy medicine for her.
I don't have money. Caleb, please, I need your help. I know that I am owing you a lot. But please, you're the only one I can run to. You're the only one that I know.
See, I like the fact that you said you know that you're paying me a lot. The money is plenty now. No problem. I like that fact that you acknowledge that fact that you're owing me a lot already.
Yes.
So you know how you are borrowing small. Reduce your hand.
This Mesoma is very sick.
I'll give you 2K, don't worry.
But you know malaria drugs are expensive.
2K is not enough.
5,000. Please, Caleb.
5,000. As Intercontinental Bank.
Caleb, please.
As Zenith, as GTB. You don't see First Bank now. See the way you are saying 5,000.
Caleb, why will you say that now?
GTB. No, na Zenith Bank in there. The way you just say GTB. I just get Come out. Jump. Dig hole there.
Are you know my friend?
You know your friend.
Should I wait?
No, dig hand. Dig hand and jump in. Try to snake that you will.
Thank you.
I don't understand. Waiting be 1, 2, and I know Sabi count money. I've been
No
waiting.
vex, no vex. Thank you. Thank you.
Still no. Don't they collect money now? Still no.
You know what?
Still no. Take. Lagos we there. Asaba too far.
Yeah, please now.
Asaba too far. Still no. Still no. Okay. Okay, they invest.
Asaba is too far. We are in Lagos.
Choma!
Asaba is too
Choma!
far. We are in
Choma! Where the hell is she coming from? Choma! Choma! Where's that stupid girl? Why is she running like that now? Where are you?
Get up. Eh? Get up. Please now, get up so you can take your drugs. Sorry.
Eyes begin to wander, hearts begin to shift. Comes out. We see.
Take it so you feel better.
Wait, no, let me lie down.
No. Lie down for what? Take your drugs now. Sorry, the doctor said you can take it after you take it now. Don't feel full. No, you have to eat. Swallow it now. Take it. Yeah, sorry, just... swallow it.
From silence to
sorry. Don't throw up. Don't throw up. Drink water. Sorry. Oh, my fine sister. Sickness. It's okay. Sorry. Do you want more water?
before we go.
Don't bring food, I don't want food.
That's all you have to eat.
Choma!
Please, ma, please. I am so sorry. I didn't mean to ignore you like that. Just that my sister is very sick, so I had to go to the pharmacy to get drugs for her. Please, ma, I'm sorry.
What's wrong with her?
The pharmacist said it's malaria.
The pharmacist said it's malaria. You see how stupid you are? That's why you have blocked brain. You don't have sense. The pharmacist said it's malaria. You went to give her drugs without taking proper checkup. You are self-medicating. That's what you're doing. Very blocked brain. Fool.
Mama, we don't have money to go to the hospital. That's why I couldn't take her to the hospital.
My friend, get out from here. You don't have money. Go and make me my breakfast, idiot. Yes, stupid girl. See the way she was. Come back here. Come back. Fool. The next time you come in and run out without greeting, you see what I'll do to you? I will slap you and remove your teeth, idiot. Get out. Yellow fish. Goats.
Ah, yes, she feels better. I will give her food soon, but she's fine.
Okay, no problem. No worry, nothing will happen to her, eh? Nothing will happen to her. Everywhere good.
Thank you so much, Kenya. Thank you for your help. In fact, I don't know how I'm going to repay you for all that you're doing. God bless you.
No problem. Bless you too. Huh? See, make I hear you. Chichi. No, keep your hand here. You know, say, you never reach one month to do. You never reach one month to a begin work here. But that does not stop the fact to say me, I love you. I love you well. I cherish you. I adore you.
Kilema, beg.
I just want to be in your life.
Kilema, no. See, I'm not ready for that kind of thing. I'm not ready for that.
I'm not the rush you. Me, I'm ready to wait. You are not ready, but I'm ready to wait.
I don't want to waste your time. It will not work. Look, I have a cousin sister to take care of until she becomes a woman. I still need to put my life in place. So please, I am not ready for that kind of thing for now, please.
You know, say you don't under pressure, man. Things, you still get this work and things still full your head. You don't say you will come back.
I have told you. I have told you. Let's not discuss this kind of thing again, please.
Calm down. I love you.
She hears no warning. She fears no storm. You fear nothing.
Hello, please. Excuse me. Good afternoon. Please, I am looking for this lady. This was her 15 years ago before I left.
I be like say I know this girl.
Okay.
And the girl where they work for Madam Cynthia. She and her little sister they stay.
Please, can you take me to Madam Cynthia's place?
They know they work there again. The woman don't sack them. They know they work
My
there
goodness. So how do I locate them, please?
again. You get one time where she be tell me say she dey live for number 4 for the next street.
Please take me to number 4 then.
I dey go market like this. You go make my gas sack.
Then how do I locate number?
Just ask everybody.
Okay, thank you though.
To elders without shaking. You are too bold. She questions what she should not question.
My son, please now. Please eat something. Hey, see, I brought you food now.
I don't want to eat.
You have to eat to get
I
better.
promise you, if I sleep for 2 days straight, I'll be okay.
So what are you saying? You took drugs. You have to eat so that the medicine will work. Eh? Please now. Madam.
What's wrong with her? How is she feeling?
She's refusing to eat.
Hello. How are you feeling? She can't talk well. Her mouth isn't running well like that. It means the sickness is tough on you.
It's very tough.
I can see it. Stop shining your eye. You're not feeling fine, so close it. Get her to the car so I can take her to the hospital.
Ma?
I don't have all day. Be fast.
Yes,
Be
ma.
fast.
Yes, ma. I'm coming. The hospital.
I'm not going to take that offer. She insulted me before she gave me that offer.
Stand! So you see her? I thought you were sick. My friend, stand up. Before Madam change. Ma, I'm coming! Stand up before she changes her mind. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up. Ma! Wait. Before Madam changes her mind. Let's go.
Chioma! Chioma, hurry up now! I still need to go to the office. What's this now? Don't you know I'm running late? What is it? Caleb! Come on, sister. Carry her and put her inside the car. Be fast now.
I can't reach here already. Miss, sorry, eh?
Caleb, please hold her for me. No, please, yes, it's okay. Thank you.
Carry now, close the door. And open the gates.
Wow.
Before Uncle. No, I'm not your house help. I will help to take care of her and leave my work. And come. Enter the car, my friend. Nonsense.
It's the destiny. Oh, you talk too much. You fear no one. You speak the truth. The voice that cannot be silenced.
Excuse. Good morning, sir.
Hey, my brother. What's happening?
Okay, I'm looking for 2 ladies.
You are looking for 2 ladies?
Yes.
Any hotel signboard today for this street?
No, like... I don't...
Which one is you are looking for 2 ladies? If you are looking for 2 ladies, waiting can concern this residential area. You know no hotel. You go hotel, go carry 2 ladies now.
Okay, there are 2 ladies I'm looking for and I was told they work here. Someone told me they work here. A fair, pretty lady. She'd been in her early 20s, and her cousin.
Wait first, bros. First of all, you said you are looking for 2 ladies.
Right.
I still about that one. You can't begin explain how beautiful they are. One is pretty and real. Waiting they happen now. If you want to go carry this thing now, you go where they go now. But you carry you come residential area. You they walk this one now. Trespassing they do.
Okay, you're getting me wrong. I'm looking for a very serious reason. I don't know. Her name is Magdalene, and I was told she stays in number 4 with her cousin sister. Is this not number 4?
This place is number 4 now, but there is no Magdalene working here.
Yeah, I have her picture here. This is her when she was 10.
So who are you to Magdalene? Are you Magdalene's boyfriend?
Well, I'm not Magdalene's boyfriend. I'm her late sister's boyfriend.
Are you Miss Oma's father?
Oh, Miss Oma, is that my daughter's name?
And my brother, the truth there now is that you came a bit late.
Oh,
my madam don't already sack them.
Not again.
Don't sack them.
How come? Like, why am I always this unlucky?
If you want to see them now, you go outside the estate. Maybe they find other estate where they're far away from here. That's the truth.
This is serious.
But I think I can still find some people that will help you relocate.
Really, you can?
Yeah, get my friends. If I put 1 or 2 calls together now, then go locate them fast.
That's nice. Then take me to the person.
Take you to the person. So another person will take over my job now.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Try and take you. I will leave my work and start taking you around.
Okay, so how do you help me now?
It will just cost you some little amount.
Little? That's not money is not the problem.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Sharp. Things where they give me joy. I like men like this. You say, say money not the problem. Money's gonna black. Shut down. Sharp.
This is 100,000. Okay, I think this should be enough.
Yeah, this one will go far. It will go a long way.
Okay, there's no problem.
Don't worry, I will call my men. Once I call 1 or 2 people together now, they will contact them.
Okay.
They will contact them. So don't worry. Call me by 4.
4.
No, don't call me. Come by 4.
Okay.
But park for that junction.
This junction.
No reach here.
Okay.
Once it's 4, I will start looking out for you.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, my madam go sack me.
No problem.
Don't ever reach this gate again. I take up beg camera. Don't see you first now.
No.
If you see you second, you don't become suspect.
No problem. Provided you will be of help. I'm glad you offered to help. Okay?
Provided you are ready, you will see your people.
All right. Thank you.
Once you are ready, you see your people. Confirm. Oh, yeah, they clear day, Bonto. Oh, one, they crazy quemo.
Thank you to you. Thank you so much. God bless you and your entire family. You don't know what you did for my sister and I.
It's okay. It's okay. Please, make sure she takes her drugs religiously.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't waste my money. Money is not easy to get. I know how hard I work to make this money. Huh?
She will take her drugs. She will.
All right. Henry will be coming over this afternoon, so prepare something nice for him. His favorite.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do that.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Come.
In a house of secrets, in a house of rules.
This is unbelievable. See, I cannot believe my eyes. Wait, madam carried the Mesoma to the hospital. After treatment, she cleared all her bills.
Caleb, I was so shocked.
Hey,
I was
wait.
surprised too. And you know that Madame also told me that I should make sure Mesoma takes her medication religiously.
And the Jainam. It is not normal. This one is very, very unreal to me. Wait. In fact, let me even tell you, do you know that in this house, from the number one staff, which is me, to everybody that has been sacked in this house, Madam has not helped anybody like give you extra money or give you extra gift. Apart from your salary, she doesn't help. Food, if you drink 2 waters, have problem. She has not helped anybody. It can't be mess or this one that is obvious that Madam doesn't like her at all.
Who told you Madam doesn't like her?
It's obvious now. Madam doesn't like her. Let me ask you, okay, if Mesoma is not your sister, will you like her?
Why won't I like her?
With this her bad mouth.
Look, she's not bad. Mesoma is a really sweet girl. It's just that you've not experienced that side of her.
Abi?
But trust me, she is a very sweet girl.
She be?
Yes, now.
She?
Good.
She? My dear, leave that thing. See, let me even ask you, what about her father? I've not heard you talk about Mesoma's father. You said her mother died. What about her father?
Her father? We don't know anything about him. The only thing we know is that he got my sister pregnant and ran away, leaving my sister to face the shame alone. And when my mother found out that my sister was pregnant, it was the shock that killed her instantly.
Sorry. Very bad.
And my sister Ndidi, she died during childbirth. But I have not seen or heard from Dubim since.
Did you say Dubim?
Yes, Dubim.
Is that his name?
That's his name now.
Oh.
Quite well.
Okay, what are you preparing inside? Yeah? Magdalene.
Wait. How did you know my name is Magdalene?
No be your name.
Yes, it's my name, but...
You know if you know me finish, oh. Me, I be omnipresent and omnipotent.
Caleb.
We know, I feel tell you your life now. Future, past and present. You don't know me. I feel go into your life now, tell you what thing will happen tomorrow.
Madam said Oga Henry is coming this afternoon, so I have to go and prepare something. Oh?
Okay. Sure. Double wahala. Double problem. Hey! So this one at 3 they talk. Jesus. That means I have to put more effort in collecting all my money. Every 1 naira I don't spend on these girls, these children here that I must collect them. She no go remember. Can you imagine? No problem. I do with you now. And I go not say Asabatufa. God who made me Asabatufa. I go no.
Hey, my baby is back. What's going on? You're not happy seeing me. What's happening?
It's not about you.
What is it?
There's this contract I've been chasing for a very long time. All of a sudden, this morning, everything got messed up.
You know what, baby? Relax. Relax. Tell me what exactly happened. Talk to me.
The person in charge of the building handed it over to his assistant to hire a designer to decorate the interior. And the man is insisting that before he gives me the contract, he has to sleep with me.
What? Sleep with you? He's stupid or what? What kind of man is that?
I don't know. I feel so frustrated. I feel depressed right now. I don't know what to do. And I have a very strong competitor, that lady. She's ready to do anything. Even when the man asks her out to sleep with her, I know she's going to do it.
Relax.
I don't know why this is happening to me.
Okay. How about you just report to the CEO himself? I'm sure that he won't like that kind of attitude.
I tried twice to get into his office, but his secretary refused. She did not let me in. Can you imagine? And this contract is huge. It's worth 30 million.
30 million?
Yes.
That's quite huge. But you know what, baby? You need to calm down. You need to relax. And I want to let you know that what is for you will always be for you. That is what I believe in. If it's for you, it's definitely going to be for you. You understand? But right now, we need to freshen you up, and maybe I might give you some massage.
Babe, I worked so hard. I worked my ass out. I don't know why this is happening to me. I feel miserable.
Hey. Madam is ready for school. Finally.
Good morning, Caleb.
Morning, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine. I want to say thank you so much for what you did for my sister yesterday.
That one is nothing. You're welcome, eh? I'm so happy that you are okay now. And keep being healthy. So you people can go, eh?
Okay. You're asking me what you want.
Shama, where's that girl? Why haven't you set the table yet? Obviously, you want me to go to work hungry. So that you can kill me with hunger and then you inherit my boyfriend, Abi?
No, ma. I'll go and set the table now. I'm sorry, ma.
When I say get inside, Mugu! Can you ever make use of your senses? Always making me shout.
Original character. Original behavior.
I wasn't talking to you.
I wasn't talking to you too, my boy. I was just talking to myself. I don't talk to you.
Good morning, ma.
Keep your money to yourself.
Jesus.
Ow! Ow! Jama! Before I blink my eyes, eh?
Shut down. The character no even good character no even last 24 hours. As they come down like this, they swerve, they enter the original lifestyle.
Oh, Caleb, I'm going to school.
Come. I want to tell you something. Wait. There's something I want to tell you. See, the information. You know I'm a security officer. The information reaching me now is that there's kidnappers in this estate. Yes, in fact, they have kidnapped 3 girls already.
Oh my God, 3?
3 grown-ups. Your mates, your age mates, they have kidnapped 3. Jesus. The thing now is that they are not even using gun. They are not using other dangerous things. They are using jazz. And they say the way the jazz works is when they talk to you, immediately they talk to you and you answer. Like they say, ha, you say, who? Inside boot. Beware. Be careful.
You say on this street?
Beware. On this street, anywhere around this area, this estate, beware.
Jesus, God forbid.
Can you hear me?
Bad thing.
You can go now.
God forbid.
Meanwhile, come. Let me complete what I heard. They say people saw them. So, let me describe what they told me. They said the men are not too tall.
Okay, are they like you?
I don't understand. What's the meaning of they are not too tall and you are pointing me?
Sorry.
I'm not tall rich. What's that? They say they are a bit brief. Some have bad head. We have bad head. If you look them, they don't go too fine. They go there in between whether they are fine or they are, that kind of thing. Then avoid cars with flashy colors.
Oh, flashy cars like all those Bugatti.
Bugatti. Who is the Bugatti with?
That's flashy car now.
Avoid Corolla.
Oh, small cars.
Camry. Then there's this particular one, they call it Dodge. If you see that car, dodge them.
Okay.
Use every power in your body to dodge them.
Okay.
You they hear me?
I'll run.
Run away. See the color. Blue, red, purple, white. Run. Waiting be the first color why I come.
Blue.
God will bless you. Go.
Hi.
Blue.
People are very wicked though.
Mean. People are very mean to God who made me.
What is happening?
It's too much. I swear the area don't spoil. To God, people are bad. Stay, dodge, oh. That dodge car, dodge amo. Na yenga nata nage. Every money, every penny that I give to your sister, your father will pay. To God, to God. If I no collect like 19 million from your father, no say no be me. Are they brutal and wicked? My mind there, yeah. You go feel am.
Asaba is too far. We are in Lagos. Oh. Asaba is too far. We are in Lagos. Oh. A woman of power. A heart of fire, Ngozi stands strong. Her beauty arrives, quiet like the dawn. Chioma walks in, eyes begin to wander, hearts begin to shift. Trouble is near, secrets run.
Good morning, my brother.
Mr. Caleb.
How far, my brother?
I'm fine.
You've been there wait the place where I tell you to.
Yes, I've been waiting.
Myself, I've been waiting there too for you.
Oh.
You know, come. That's why I rushed. I knew you would come here.
Okay. So you have good news for me?
It's not like it's good news, though.
Okay.
It's good news, sha, but then less I'm with the bad news.
Let's hear it.
The thing is that I've called down my friend, the one that I told you, said you know where they are.
Okay.
The guy said that he's the one that took them to where they are working.
Really?
Madeline and the small girl.
That's fine. I think that's good news, eh?
Don't be saying a good news. I told you that they less I'm with problem.
What's the problem? Anything at all, anything to see Magdalene and my daughter, I'm ready to do it.
The guy now told me that he has spent a lot. That he even called the agent to help him and find work for both of them. That when the little girl you said is your daughter was sick, that he even brought a lot of money to cure her and all those things. Okay. That they have to pay him before he will take me to them. Gone.
So how much is he talking about?
Because no, that is because I mistakenly told him that somebody like you is involved.
Oh, so what do we do now?
I gave him the 100,000 that you gave to me before. The boy was stoned. You stoned the 100,000 at me.
Why?
Almost blind my eye like this.
Yeah, sorry.
And I said, okay, calm down. How much do you want? The boy said they are owing him 580.
580?
580,000 that they have to pay.
Okay.
Me, I don't know what to do now. I say, okay, oh yeah, 80. Make I talk to the father.
Okay.
If he can afford 500,
okay,
no one. And I gave him 80 from the money you gave to me. What is it, 20 baramoto?
Oh, that's fine. So I don't have cash here now. What do we do?
You don't have cash? But the other time you had cash in your account.
Yeah, I mustn't be moving out with cash every time. Just, do I make transfers for you?
Sharp, now mommy and my mobile
okay,
app.
And then put your numbers in.
Well, okay, can't you get a mobile? Lure me on a mobile app.
Okay.
Bam, Mozribo.
Okay, yeah, Mozribo Caleb.
Mozribo.
Oh, it's done.
Make I,
it's done. You can.
Bam, Obela.
Okay.
Jesus, you even put charges.
Yes, so everything can be swift.
You even add better charges, so God bless you, oh.
Thank you.
Anything you lay your hands on in this life, go do fiam the way this transfer they do.
Thank you. It's okay. So how do we go? Where do we go from here now?
Okay, now don't worry, just go. When I call the boy don't go work by now.
Okay.
If I call him, if he get any other money, we go there under this one now. I will still relate to you. Not say people we more if you be see get small thing where they still they want.
No problem. It's fine. Anything to see my daughter, I'm willing to do it, okay?
No problem. Everywhere I go good for you. I go give you safe landing.
Okay, please, just do. And as for you, I'll make sure I do more things for you, okay? I have a lot for you.
Oh, you have a lot for me?
Yes.
Jesus. Okay, that means in my father's house, there are many mansions.
There's always reward for good work, you know.
Are they with you?
Okay.
Are they game with
you? So I think I should have your number.
No, make I collect your own. So
okay.
I go free call you anytime.
All right, fine.
I go give you a call once I see them.
Okay. You need the number already?
Should I give your daughter this number? No, don't worry. When I go face to face. When I go see face to face.
Well, thanks, Mr. Caleb. Okay, I do appreciate.
I there with you, my man.
Okay.
I there again with you. No skin pen, Everywhere. Go back small. You move front. You reverse. Wazi awa. 580 awala. Everywhere good. Jesus! Ọ bụ onye Igbo ka a napụtara ego ọ wụrụzi onye ọcha ọ in billion ka ọ ga-agba. Ọla na ife mmeri akọna m. Mpụta ụtụtụ adavuru m ogogoro ma gụọ anụ m ọfọ mesokuru m okorobịa jee tụwa ọrụ n'ọgbọ na-agbakwa m mesokuru m okorobịa jee suba arụ m ọkpọ ogogoro ma agụ arụ m ọfọ.
Caleb,
what
are you singing?
International cook. Intercontinental.
I brought your food.
The best cook in the world.
Now maybe that.
You don't know this song?
Which song be that?
The boy will sing and then they call him Tough King. To God who made me. Na aburu born that boy. And Papa na aburu. Nothing you won't tell me. You know they hear within that boy they sing. Like a person where anger they take put him belly for him, put him for him mama belly. Be like who they use aggressive, put him inside the mama belly.
Sing the song again.
Tota davrumo gogoroma gwanumo fo me sokrumo krobe je to waru no bo me sokrumo krobe je to waru na agbakwa mu me sokrumo krobe je fu waru bo po.
Hey,
ogogoroma gwanumo fo. You know the feed that song.
It
be like waiting normal person facing.
At all.
You must there another rain.
At all.
Mental state go down before you go feel compose such song.
Hey.
I want to ask you something. Since our last discussion, I have been thinking
About
Miss Oma. What if her father comes back?
To come and do what?
Which one is to come and do what? What if her father decides to come back? And see, make I tell you. You see, men, we men, we know they feel leave our pikin. No man feel abandon him pikin forever in this life. In fact, let me tell you, you can leave your child in the hand of a baby mama for years. No matter how many years where baby mama thinks say don't collect your pikin as a man. A baby mama is just a caretaker. When the time reach, unless the man no make him, once the man make him condo okay, the baby they come back.
It's not possible. He can't come back. What is he coming back to do? What exactly is he coming back to do?
Manhood no be child's play.
See, Caleb, forget that thing.
Okay,
forget it.
Let me explain further. As a man where baby mama willing picking, leave him for him, no fight. Just try to make it. Put more effort. Be okay, be better. Be the better version of yourself. Your pikin go locate. Now, good father, then they locate later.
After I told you he abandoned my sister and the pregnancy.
My dear, make I tell you. Now, money abandon your sister. No be that guy. Money have man. You don't know. That fear of the unknown make her run. If to say the boy has money.
Chuma, what are you doing here?
I came to give him his food.
And where is my food?
Let me go and serve it right away. Sorry, sir.
Get out.
Now go on then take the collect food now. Okay, where's my food? Hello? Who goes? My food. You know they. Bah!
Choma! Choma! Come here.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing inside?
I'm dishing your food, sir.
You're dishing my food. Choma, so you finished cooking and you decided to go and serve that idiot. You decided to go and serve that gate man.
I'm sorry, sir.
Are you stupid?
I'm sorry, sir.
Why couldn't you come and serve me, the man of this house?
It will not happen again, sir. I'm very sorry.
Seems like I'll go and tell your madam to sack you. No, they should send you and your sister out of this house.
Please, sir, please, I am begging you. I'm so sorry. Please.
Such
won't repeat itself again.
Beg very well.
Please, sir, please.
You are very stupid. You left me to serve that gate man. Don't you feel ashamed?
It will not happen again, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir, please. Please. Forgive me, sir.
Forgive you.
Yes, sir.
Calm now.
Don't worry, sir. I will stand
No,
myself.
let me help you. Let me tell you. Listen.
Sir, stop it. Sir, stop it. Stop it, please.
What's wrong with you? Why are you pretending like you don't like it?
I don't like it. And I will never like it. Sir, what is wrong with you? Aren't you supposed to be ashamed of yourself? This is your girlfriend's house.
Stop calling that old woman my girlfriend. Are you stupid?
I don't care how old she is. But she's your woman. And you need to respect her. So stop this rubbish.
You know, I'm beginning to like this fire I'm seeing in you. It turns me on. Let me tell you.
Sir, please.
Come.
Sir, please.
Come, listen.
Sir, let go of me. Let me go. What is wrong with you?
Choma, you slapped me. Choma, you lay your hands on me. I promise you, today will be the last day you spend in this house. Bet me. You slapped me, Choma. You slapped me. Okay?
Hello, I got him. Excuse me.
What is it?
Hey, wait. Let's come back. You get that?
I'm not sure if I do. What happened? What is it?
Okay, no verse. I've been get waiting. I've been the check for my phone before my data finish.
Okay.
Get one important news why they read. They say government, federal government and human rights don't put law. They don't increase law on the mabo.
What is in the mabo? What's that?
You don't know what's in the mabo?
No.
In the mabo na men where they go meet maybe girl where no be their girlfriend or person where no be their wife, go they sleep with them by force. Say they don't increase the government where you work as in government they don't vex. They say anybody we go mistakenly go carry girl we no be girlfriend or woman we no be in wife girl we no tell you say come you go climb am by fire by force. Yeah, no unconsensual sexual activity. They been keep am for 14 years imprisonment, but now they don't carry and go 20. They go 20 years behind bars without parole. I tell you.
See, listen. I don't know where you are heading to exactly, but anywhere you are heading to, let me just pretend I don't care. I don't know.
Where you go pretend when I tell you something what you understand? But if they pretend for government, they don't vex, so they don't announce them. In case you are having anything to do with it.
What's made of that? What's made of that? Are you okay?
Sure.
See, let this. See, don't play with me. Caleb, don't play with me. See, let this be the very last time you stop me and tell me this bullshit, tell me this rubbish.
I deal with you. One love, my G.
It seems like this job, you are getting tired of it, right?
You can go.
I will report you, madam. You are getting tired of it.
No verse, nah. No, there you can.
What is wrong with you? See, don't let me do something I will regret and you will regret, oh.
No. Now government go regret the pass.
Like you're very strong.
What thing then go do to you? Then go. Now that I carry me come, oh. If no be that I go there here. But don't worry. Federal government go soon hold your data. Prison warders then go soon hold your data. Carry one another person data. In a cheta. Don't worry. You go see. When your number like this don't reach 14,980, go wear blue or green. You go know.
Wait! What is wrong with you? How dare you raise your filthy hands on my boyfriend? Are you mad? Why would you raise your filthy hands on my boyfriend? Are you mad? Are you sick? You don't have home training?
I think he was the one trying to...
What do you want? You're stupid! You don't have respect, you don't have fear!
No, I didn't.
I asked you, shut up, you don't talk when I'm talking! That's your thing, eh? thought you are the good one and your sister the troublemaker. No, you're worse. You are an ingrate. You are a devil.
I swear I didn't do anything.
Will you shut up your mouth? You did not do anything. For what? Can you imagine? Eh? You did not do anything. Leave my house.
Please, we don't have anywhere
I shall leave my house.
Anywhere else to go, please. Help me to me and my sister, please. But he's lying. I didn't do anything. He was the one that was trying to touch me.
Yeah, oh, he's lying, eh? Oh, now you're calling me a liar and you're calling my boyfriend a liar.
Wait.
After you tried to seduce him.
Hey, Ma.
Because he did not succumb to your advances.
Wait.
Wait for what?
I know you're angry, I know you're angry, but listen to us. Let me tell you. Since the day we stepped into this house, this man here has been trying to touch my sister. All the problems I've been having, I'm not a troublemaker, but I've been having trouble with him because he has been trying to seduce my sister. That's why I've been having problems. You tell her the truth now.
Look at this little urchins that have been begging on their behalf. You have the guts to slap me just because I didn't sleep with you. Just because I refused you. Rubbish. Chase them out!
Get out!
Please, I didn't slap him.
Shut up your mouth! Oh, you did not slap him.
I swear.
He has been the one. He has been the one pleading for both of you not to leave my house. Now you're trying to say that he's lying against you, Abi? That is what you're trying to say. Hey! Nonsense! Mom! Caleb, what is it?
Never lose your voice. Evidence to choke for here. Make I shock you now. Your boyfriend na SSS actor. S video.
My friend, will you get out from me?
Almost a rapist.
Henry!
What is it?
What is this? What is this, Henry? Henry, how dare you?
Baby, listen.
Henry, how dare you?
Listen.
Henry, you did this to me?
That's AI, I swear. It's AI.
AI!
Yes, they don't put it together. They planned it together, I swear.
You're saying this is AI?
Yeah.
You are mad! Caleb that cannot spell his name, you're saying it's AI?
No,
Henry, this is a live video. This I'm seeing with my clear eyes.
Okay, I'm sorry. I know I made a mistake. I swear, I'm sorry.
Mistake! You're saying this is a mistake?
Yes, it's a mistake.
Henry.
Okay, see, babe, so you know what? Just chase her outside.
There's
You
no
will not tempt me
explanation.
again.
There's no explanation. Go inside, pack your things and leave my house.
Come on,
I said go
I've not got
inside!
into that now.
Henry!
Mama, look at me
Henry,
now.
it's like
Look at me now.
you want me to run mad for you?
You know I love you.
Henry,
You
go
can't do
inside.
this to me now.
Henry, go inside. You came to this house empty-handed. Everything you have, I bought it for you. And you're doing this to me, Henry. You're hurting me. You're breaking my heart. Henry, leave. Caleb, what are you doing? Caleb, before I blink my eyes, take him out of this house. Henry, I said leave.
You say na AI, Abi? Oga IGI. Baby, a horn. This na give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes to God who made you no come up.
If you touch me,
you nothing one.
If you touch me,
This ain't about it.
See, don't let this guy embarrass me now.
Caleb, you want to lose your job? Caleb, you will lose your job. Caleb, you will lose your job if you don't try him out.
Your voice, so if you don't calm down.
Mama, see, let's talk this out now, please. Mama, please.
Come on, get out.
Mama, please now.
Why are you calling mother? Do I look like your mother? Are you mad?
Please, Mama, I love you.
I love you. Not that I will get you.
Mama.
I need this place. Just give me chance.
Your video now where I get now 4. When you tie your clothes, when you tie your shirt, when you every time when again, it's my video.
Chuma, please forgive.
I'm
Sorry. Why didn't you tell me that animal was harassing you sexually?
Mama, I was telling her to tell you, but she refused. I was scared you were not going to believe me.
I'm sorry. I've been a victim of sexual abuse. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry. I didn't know this was going to happen like that. God, what is this? What is this?
Overnight video there here. Your boyfriend, different position on top of person. Obvious, you go to tear the clothes like this. Why?
Caleb, don't open that gate. Chioma, go in there. Get me a bucket of water. Immediately. Bucket of water.
Yes.
Pull it.
This one acid. Put inside.
Which acid?
If you see.
You won't commit murder. We dey talk of sexual assault now. You won't enter murder. Madam, I like you see your voice. You dey waste time every day. Today you enter action. You really enter action.
He needs to be killed. Bring water. Fast. Let's go.
Start from this end. From here.
Open it.
Yes.
Oh my God!
Who are you? Dubem!
Madeleine, oh my God. Is this you? I've been looking for you everywhere, searching. Oh my God. Go inside. Go.
No, my sister is still outside.
Go inside, I know now.
Oh, what if this person is a terrorist?
Which terrorist?
Or a kidnapper that you are
No,
there?
the
Look at it.
kidnapper. Go
Wait.
inside. Ndidi gave me money to travel abroad. Though I never wanted to, but she insisted, saying if her mother finds out what was going on, she was going to force her on me. And that would ruin our life and dream. So I had to travel so I could make some money and come back for her and my daughter.
But you left. You left and never came back. For how many years?
I was jailed for 17 years. Yes. When I traveled overseas, I was doing some menial jobs as a technician. So one fateful day, I went to fix a woman's light. Then she made advances on me. I declined. She insisted, and then I pushed her. She fell on the floor. And then the next morning, the cops came to my house. Then I was arrested and jailed. Only last year that some evidence came up to prove that I was innocent. Then I was released and then compensated. I immediately came back and went straight to the village, only to find out that Ndidi, my Ndidi, was already dead.
And I've been looking for you everywhere. Let me make them see on herself. Let me link her up. Let me make her meet each other.
Sister, is he really my father?
Yes. He's your father.
Oh.
That's your father.
Yes. Yes. Oh, I'm so sorry for all you've been through all these years. I promise you now that I'm here, I'm never gonna let such happen anymore. I will always be with you.
Excuse me. Were you the man I met yesterday in Chief James' office?
Yes, of course.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I was there yesterday. I went to see him in regards to the contract concerning furnishing and office decoration.
Oh, okay. Yes. That's my office. That's my office building. He's the one in charge of it. So the contract, you got it?
I lost it to the other lady.
Why?
He insisted that he must sleep with me before giving me the contract.
Ha! Jehovah Elohim, Jehovah Egebo. Ndi kereke, the whole world is honey. The whole world, everybody in the world is honey. Can you imagine? They want to sleep with her. Internationally, they want to sleep with him. This one too, they want to sleep with him. Very soon now, somebody will try to sleep with me. Jehovah lay. Jehovah lay.
So, what's the name of your company?
Homie Deco.
Homie Deco?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me call Mr. James. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, hello, Mr. James. Your assistant, how well do you know him? Well, he has touched from clients before he could give them job. Yes. Well, I called to tell you that the contract should be given to Homie Deco. Yes, of course. But he did otherwise. Because the lady wouldn't sleep with him. Well, I'll talk to you later, James. Okay.
Thank you.
You have the job, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God, I can't believe this. Thank you. God bless you. Mesoma, I'm glad your father is here to see you. I'm so happy.
With the better connection. As if they land like this, connection they follow him. Contract signed and sealed. But Augustino, na me first meet you. Na me first meet him. Still no. Asabatufa. Make it your mind there. Confirm. Still no.
Asaba is too far. We are in Lagos. Asaba is too.
My brother.
Caleb.
Ogami.
Mr. Caleb.
Remember me, in this journey, please don't forget me.
No, you don't have a problem.
I don't get anybody. I don't even get hope. You see, say when you were coming to this place to meet your family, I was at the forefront. Now me, they go run around for you, make sure say you see them. Even that particular day when you finally see them, I was already ready.
No, don't worry, Caleb. You don't need to explain. You don't need to explain. All the while I've known you've been a smart guy. I know you've been, but I needed something, so I have to play along. I know you've been. No, it's fine. It's fine. You try though. At least, if not for you, I wouldn't have seen my daughter. All thanks to you though.
So wait, you know say I've been very smart.
I'm aware now, Caleb. You don't compare. I've been in the States for many years.
Forgive me. Make I use this opportunity to beg for forgiveness.
It's fine.
It's made that money no verse you.
No, it's fine. As long as I got what I want from you. Yeah, you gave me what I wanted, okay? Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Still no, I did here.
No. You don't have to worry, okay?
Don't get it at the back of your mind.
Caleb. No problem. Oh, wow. I was beginning to wonder if you ladies changed your mind.
Change mind. On top of this America waka, if anybody that does not have sense, the only person that will be changing mind now.
Really?
It's too late to go back. Oh. No, we are just packing Gary.
Gary? What for?
You see Mesoma and Gary is 5 and 6.
Really?
Mesoma cannot go a day without drinking Gary. This one.
And it's like they don't have Gary there. It's too local for them.
The African stores there. Anything you want, provided you is African, you get it.
But those people, are they not Oyibo people? If they eat fufu, won't it smell in their hand? They will now start doing, what is this? What is this? It's no...
Augustine, now mad woman you carry so.
No, my daughter is not a mad.
If to say you come here 2 days late, carry for blind up.
No,
God,
you're not
if they drink and even by 2 a.m. Another thing, help me see that clothes. Bottega Veneta, Prada, and how many almost 4 designer for one polo. I beg, help me try and they change her clothes. Because this girl where you see here, if not be smarting, Okreka wake up, go down wake her spirit up.
Oga Caleb, the fact that I'm wearing these clothes now, and I'm going to America, that means I'm going to be an Americana in the next few hours. Doesn't still mean I don't have what I still have in me.
What thing you have? That. Sometimes go so
long. As people will say, see, he started first though.
I know. Okay. Oga Caleb, warn yourself. Warn yourself.
Oh,
I'll miss you, girl. Look, when you get to America, Don't allow your mouth to start running like that. If not, they will deport you back.
Okay, let's start going, okay? We'll miss our flight.
Chairman, leave her. If you reach there, go talk. This is what you're going to play with.
Alright, let's go. Okay, the tax is waiting already, huh? Okay.
Once you get there, you get you girl. Is that how you talk to me?
Alright, tell her, man. See you.
Go there, go talk. You African girl.
Don't worry, you left now.
You African girl, is that how you talk to me? Bim. I'm gonna miss you. Talkie.
Asaba is too far. We are in Lagos. Asaba is too far. We are in Lagos. A woman of power, a heart of fire. Ngozi stands strong. Her beauty arrives quite like the dawn. Chioma walks in. Eyes begin to wander, hearts begin to shift. Trouble is near. Secret thrive. We hear them. Truth comes out. We see it. Voices clash. We feed them. The summer hold your time.